Obim. I was here earlier today. I didn't see you.
Okay.
Where did you go to?
It must have been when I went to the farm to check my pampers.
I thought as much.
Yes.
Have you eaten?
Yes, I ate.
I get it really hard. What is going on?
And what is the meaning of this? What does it look like I'm doing?
Why are you holding him like that?
You want to know? I guess you're not sleeping or joking. Because if I never to be with my man, honey. Obim.
How dare you claim my man to be your man? Imuma?
And if I touch him, what will you do? Ngozi.
Yeah.
But that's the terrific game.
Gini ka Ngozi game.
Yes.
Onyem, step aside. Don't try this.
I beg and go and edge.
Imuma, don't touch him again. No.
I should do what?
Do not touch my man again. I am a woman to woman. No.
May you take time.
Ngozi, can you people
you can't do
it. Stop.
Yeah.
Why are you standing there looking at Mama like that? Can't you tell her sorry?
Why should I tell her sorry? No, tell me one good reason I should tell Mama sorry.
Will you shut up? Have you forgotten you are talking to Mama?
And so?
So you should respect her.
I should respect who doesn't want to respect herself. Must she fight? Since Mama shamelessly decided to go after an old man who she knows too well is into a love affair with another woman, she should have respected herself enough to turn back and come home when she found that same woman in the same man's compound before she came.
It is obvious that I have given you a lot of privileges and you're beginning to abuse them, Coco. No problem. But let this be the very first and last time you will get involved in my love affair.
What's a love affair? Mama, are you not ashamed of yourself? If you don't want to hear me,
bring my slippers back! Fool! Come on, bring it back. It's yours. I'm off here.
Mama, the truth always tastes sour and bitter, but must be told. Mama, respect yourself. I can go. I got the one baby.
No. How would you leave him? As you're going, when you come back, you will eat your intestine. He's singing here. Here,
Mama, it's okay.
Huh? Are you sure my bone is not broken? I'm not doing it again. If I catch that woman, If I catch that woman,
Mama, it's okay.
I want to go. No. Okay. It will heal. Thank you, Mama. Thank you.
Wakego na Ngozi, they said they love her body. Wakego na Ngozi.
Take it easy. The pain is too much now.
You couldn't have allowed her get to you. Why? Why did you not beat her up? I know you are stronger than this woman.
Get to me as how? I was the one that beat her up mercilessly. Yes.
Then how come?
My daughter. It was unfortunate that the ground was slippery. Okay, so when I beat her with this left hand, and I wanted to hit her again with the right one, so I just slipped and fell on top of the left hand.
Did you fall today? What is funny?
Mama, how could you fight your fellow woman over a widower? Mama, did you think of what the villagers would say about us? This could dent our image, you know.
You should think about what the villagers will say about you. Because I don't care what they say. They can say anything they want to say because I don't care. But you should concern yourself with what the villagers will say about your joblessness in this village.
I know. Mama, I know. You will talk about my joblessness. But Mama, let me tell you the truth. What you just did is a disgrace to this family. You
are the one who is a disgrace to this family.
Yes.
Yes, you are a disgrace to this family. And don't you ever insult my mother again.
Did you talk to me like that? The Diopala? Are you aware I'm your elder brother?
And you realize that you're talking to Mama like that?
Sit down!
Don't tell me to sit down! Don't even try it! Why would you be insulting my mother? Why? What has come over you? Have you lost it? Okay,
this is a gang up, Abi. It's a gang up. You see this character you're exhibiting? Bet me you regret it. This stupidity you're showing, you regret it. Okamu Akina Goku, your elder brother, Diopala. No problems.
My friend, go and sit down. Go and rest. You only gave me 2 years. Yes, and you want me to worship you like my God.
Don't mind him.
My children.
Amandi, welcome. Amandi.
Here comes Okoli. You're welcome.
Thank you.
What can I offer you?
Amandi, don't worry yourself. I'm fine.
Well, if you insist. You were here yesterday. And today again you're here. I hope all is well.
Can you imagine? I was seated at that our normal regular pami joint.
Yes.
And I overheard some people discussing about the serious fight between Wakego and Ngozi earlier today in your house. Is it true?
It's true, my brother. I am confused at this point.
Amandi, you have to put an end to this madness. It is getting out of hand.
Okoli, do you think it's within my powers to do that?
It is. All you need to do is call it quit.
You will never understand. Wokadigo committed.
Committed again, committed again,
You will never understand.
Ebuka.
Oh, Machi, you are here.
Yes, I'm here. What is it? You look worried.
I'm fine.
You're fine. Ebuka, you're fine. And your face is like this. But you know I'm not part of those people you should be lying to, Ebuka. What is it? Talk to me.
It's my mother.
Your mother? Again? What has she done this time? What is it?
You can't believe my mother still goes around this village fighting Wakego over that old village fool called Amandi.
Oh God, Ebuka. I thought the last time we discussed, you promised that you will never put your mouth in her affairs or in her love affairs. What is it?
But she's still my mother. I can't change that fact. She's bringing shame upon our family.
Ebuka, everybody in this village knows she's your mother. Leave her to enjoy her life. Ebuka, let her be. Leave her to live her life.
You won't understand. If you were in my shoes, I know you will understand better. Do you know what it feels like? My mom walking around at this village, an old fool and feature my mother. Could you imagine? That old idiot and feature my mother. Hi!
Ebuka, you are letting this bother you. You know what? Come, let's get somewhere comfortable. I have a surprise for you. Come.
Are you sure?
Come now.
So what could that be?
I'll not show you again. Come, let's go.
I'm not happy, but I like surprises anyway.
Pregnant? Why are you sounding like you don't know what pregnancy is?
I know what it is and what it means. That is why I sounded the way I just did. Ijoma, How could you allow yourself get pregnant?
Wait, are you asking me that question and expecting an answer from me?
Of course, I'm asking the question. Don't I deserve an answer?
Okay. Why did you sleep without protection?
Ijoma, if you noticed vividly, when you came in there, I was not in the right frame of mind. And I don't have the strength for this joke right now. I don't.
Oh, you think this is a joke, right?
Of course it is a joke now, though very expensive.
Really? Do you know what? Never mind, don't worry.
Ijoma. Oh.
You never told me you were coming to see me today.
I didn't want to. Something came.
What is that?
Okay. Don't you think it's time for you to leave this village for the city in search of greener pastures?
Why do you say so?
I don't know. At your age, you should not be depending on your mother for the food you eat.
Thank you for this advice. But I must let you know that I'm not the first son of my father. Yes. I think Ugochukwu, my elder brother, should be paying more attention to this kind of advice and not me.
Does it really matter? You both have different destinies. God does not bless anyone based on birth positions. You could be the destined breadwinner of your family, but you never can tell.
And what will Ugochukwu, my elder brother, be doing?
It should not be your concern. You should not allow the thought of you being the second and not the first limit your hard work. Whosoever get there first should assist the other. All I want you to do is just go to the city, pursue your destiny. Please, that will make me proud of you. Please.
How are you there?
I'm fine. Where are you going to?
I'm going to the market.
Okay, then let's go together.
Are you also going to the market?
If you're not Banji.
Oh.
I can't Ghana.
We're not them.
I mean, no. Machi, I heard about the fight between your mother and Wakego. I hope your mother didn't sustain much injuries. Yeah?
If you actually want us to go to this market together, change this topic.
Why now? Now we fighting.
Just grant my request first.
Okay, no problem. I won't talk about it again. Just fine.
Because I know you like gossip more than your life.
Mua gossip.
Who doesn't know you in this village that you like to gossip?
But that is what I heard now. I heard that your mother and Wakego fought.
Who doesn't know you in this village? You like to look for where to gossip and what to gossip with. Please just keep my family out of this. Don't get me angry this afternoon.
Marachi, but that is what I heard now. I heard your mother and Wakego
please,
fought.
Enough!
Amarachi!
Obi, I don't know anyone in the city. And I don't have any money on me to start a life there.
That shouldn't be the problem. The problem should be you accepting first.
Why talking as if you have an already laid down plans to assist me if I do?
Obi, why not say yes now? Say yes first.
Okay. Yes, I will agree to go to the city. That's if I see a good reason.
Oh my God! Now you're talking like my Obim.
Now tell me, what are you up to this time?
I won't tell you until I see the seriousness in you.
Come on. You know that is not possible.
What is not possible?
Obim, this is not a movie. You can't just keep me on suspense. And you know how I hate what you're about to do now.
Oh, Obim, I'm sorry. I'm doing it. I have to do it.
Obim, I will never let you go unless you tell me.
Oh my God.
So tell me, I'm listening.
No, not now. I'll tell you, not now. Go away.
Alright, I agree.
Amarachi, what is it? What is it now? Is it not both of us that went to the market? Why do you want to leave me?
What has my brother also got to do with our conversation this afternoon?
Because I just want to know when you'll be returning from the city. Any problem with that?
Is that a rhetorical question or you actually expect me to answer that?
Of course I expect a response from you.
Fine. Give me 2 reasons I should answer you.
1, because I asked. Secondly, because you're my friend.
You just have to go and thank your God that this your gossip will not affect your intelligence. But still, I will not answer your questions, even with the reasons you gave.
Why now? It's unfair. We are friends, we are not fighting.
Dear, this girl, are you a witch? Did someone send you to get information about my brother from me so that you can bewitch him?
Marachi, but you know that is not possible. I love your brother Uzona, and I cannot be part of any evil plot against him. You know that.
Also love. You love my brother Uzona. Hey, Ne, Biko, who is sponsoring your stupidity? Eh? And what makes you think my brother will want to settle with a village gossip like you after spending years in the city?
Amarachi, you're insulting me. Amarachi, you're insulting me. Remember, I'm your friend. Besides, are you better than I am? We are both in this village together.
Ini, calm down. You are deviating from the question. Eh? In fact, I don't want to discuss about this any further. Please, I'm going home.
Amarachi, because your brother is in the city, that's why you're talking to me anyhow, right? No problem.
My daughter, you're welcome.
Papa, I miss you.
Miss you too.
Hey, but you're not looking bad at all. Tell me, who has been taking good care of you?
Come on. Is it not too early for all this interrogation? Come in first.
Hey,
you're welcome.
Ebuka, good morning.
Morning, Mama. How are you?
I'm fine. Where are you coming from and what's inside that bag?
So between the 2 questions you just asked me now, which should I answer first?
You see, you see why I don't like you. If I be making someone feel like I'm talking too much or something. Okay, I will answer you. You start from the first question, eh? Down to the last question. Ngwa, Zaba.
No, Ebuka, I am coming back from the market. And in here are the clothes I bought for you.
Oh my God. Beautiful dresses for me.
Yeah, check it now. Measure.
Are you sure?
I'm sure now.
You measured me.
Everywhere.
You know my size.
Oh, come here.
Oh, this is fine. It's beautiful. Look at. Oh, this clothes look so beautiful.
Yeah.
And expensive too.
But I'm glad you like it. You see, they are expensive because you are expensive and you deserve expensive things too. Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Oh, these are nice. But Etiko, don't vex. You know you like getting angry over small thing. But I will still ask if you like vex. Because where did you get this money from? Who gave you money to buy me all these fine clothes? Where?
No, I'm Nigerian man, so I can't afford these 4 clothes because you see me in this village.
That is the point. That is the point. You are in this village and I don't see anything that you're doing that fetch you the money to get these clothes, Ebuka.
Machi, I went to the market, bought these clothes for you. So take them home and wear them. That is all that matters.
Ebuka, I need to know. I need to know where you got this money to buy these clothes. I'm the one wearing them. I need to know. Or don't I?
You don't. You only deserve to take these clothes as you just took them now. Say thank you very much, yo. Then you go home and wear them.
What is it you want to discuss with us?
Mama, I'll be traveling to the city next week. Yes, Mama.
City kwa? Did you say city? What are you going there to do?
What do people who go to the city do over there?
They go there to work. You, what are you going there to do?
Good question. I am equally going there to work.
But my son, you don't know anyone there. You don't have anyone in the city.
Mama, that's very true. But Mesoma already spoke to her brother on my behalf. Yes, Mama. He has accepted and agreed to accommodate me. Yes, Mama. Yes. Mama, as a matter of fact, not just accommodating me, he equally agreed to secure me a job in the city.
Are you serious?
Very serious.
This is good.
Hey! Mama, this is good news, oh. Hey! That Mesoma is a very nice girl and a blessing to this family. Exactly. I'm so happy.
Chizoba, sometimes you talk like you don't know who your elder brother is and what he is capable of doing. Mama,
show yourself.
I don't move with wrong people. See,
on your
around me, is a positive-minded person. Yes, ma'am.
That's good. Namo, I am so excited and happy about this news.
Me too.
More so because it was coming from you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Because I know if it's that your useless and stupid brother, he wouldn't remember us if he traveled to the city. He won't.
Mama, please stop saying this. In as much as our brother is not in support of all these things we are doing, he's not really that bad though. He's not really useless.
Shut up, my friend. If you don't have anything to contribute, it is better to remain silent.
Your sister.
What do you know about usefulness and being useless?
I said rap with Chizoba. She's a two-sided knife.
Please, if you don't know what to contribute, come on, Mama Paletoka.
Like I was saying, now that you have made up your mind to travel, once you get to the city, shine your 2 eyes. Jeku!
Sister.
What are you doing in the village? I thought you were asked to go and stay with Auntie.
And what's the meaning of that? Are you now pursuing me from my own father's house?
Jeku, I am not pursuing you. But I want to know why you came back here looking this miserable.
Because I want to come back to my father's house and stay as the first and only son.
Jeku, are you sure you did not commit any crime in the city? Eh?
I don't know when you turned into a detective. Because I can still remember that that's not what Papa sent you to school to study.
Okay. Very soon we'll know why you ran back to the village. Very soon we'll know. Jeku, I want to know what you did. Why did you come back to this?
Amarachi! Amara!
Mama!
Amara.
Mama?
Who took the money I kept in my room?
Money, pa.
Ego.
Mama, I didn't see any money.
Then who did? Eh?
Maybe you should ask Ebuka.
Ebuka, pa?
Ask Ebuka what again. To go Ebuka again.
Okay, give me the money you took from my room.
Mama, look how you're even saying, where's my money? The one you took from my room. As if you saw me taking the money. Even when I know that since 1 year, 1 full year, I've not gone to your room, I'm not going to pay the kid.
Liar! Ebuka, didn't I see you coming out from Mama's room last night?
You saw me? If from? Even if you saw me, did you see me with any money? Huh?
Okay, be ever.
Yes, I'm waiting for Asas. Mama.
Where is the money? You know where go? I'm not playing with you. Give me my money.
Mama.
You can give Mama her money now.
But working now.
Oh yeah.
Mama, why are you doing this thing, Mama? Oh, you know that even if I took this money from your room, there's no way I wouldn't have spent it by now. I didn't see any money. I swear.
You think I'm playing? Give me go. If you like, pack all the cards here and swallow. I don't care. Give me my money.
Mama, ask Amarachi.
Ask Amarachi.
It is not Amarachi.
Don't mention my name, oh.
Mama,
Amarachi. Give me my money, oh. Give me my money. I'm not playing. Give me go.
Wahala dey for who no get it, wahala. Trouble no dey for who no get it, trouble. If you ask Ngozi who you dey cook for, she go say. If you ask Wakeko who you go die for, she go say. Ngozi is in love, she no wan give up.
But you're welcome.
Keep your pleasantries. Keep your pleasantries. I did not come here to take pleasantries with you.
Why are you sounding like this? What is the problem?
I have warned you several times to stay away from my mother. I have done that.
What type of stupid, dumb talk is that? Have you come to my house to embarrass me?
I don't care. Call it dumb question, right? I do not care how you take the question, but I am warning you for the very last time. If I see you close to my mother again, you have me to contend with. Okay then, leave my mother alone. Leave her alone. Okay, her. Thanks. Let it happen again.
You don't know here. At your age, you are still talking about my mother. Leave my mother alone. You're not ashamed of yourself. I got you, Kwenka. I don't blame you.
Papa.
She's over. This is good exercise. Yeah. You got your coffee? This is a very good exercise. Why? It's not again. What did you say? Do I look like his guardian angel? Answer me. Sorry, I came to look for him. I am not an illiterate. I heard you
perfectly well. If not for Ugochukwu, who would you have come here to look for? Answer me now. Ugochukwu is jobless. Yet you don't want to help yourself. You want to be as jobless and useless as Ugochukwu is. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? Every minute, bang 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 bang, pium pium pium. You forget that Upunaga wala wala, Nairaga wala wala nafia. Eh?
See, Chizoba, I did not come here to exchange words with you at all. Please, I came to look for Ugochukwu. I have something very important I want to discuss with him.
Ugochukwu is not around now. Oh, you think I'm hiding him? Oh yeah, look here. Check my breast. Did you see Ugochukwu inside here? Did you see him here? Welcome to my Wabiko. Get out now.
No problem.
Wabiko.
Sorry.
Eh? You will not stay one place and help your poor parents. You are looking for Ugochukwu. Rubbish. Come and disturb my exercise. You idiots. In a true Ugochukwu. Hey. Yes! I got it!
Papa, I thought you said you have nothing to do with those women again.
My daughter, your father is committed.
Committed how? I mean, what commitment do you have with them that cannot be broken?
You know there's nothing tangible that I'm doing in this village that fetches me money.
What about your farms and cash crops?
How much can that fetch me? Do you think it will be enough to see you through your higher institution?
Papa, what are you saying in essence?
What I am saying in essence is those women were the ones that brought the money, that paid your school fees, paid for your books, fed you when you were in school. So there is no way I can just dismiss them like that. It's not possible. Unless you're willing to become an orphan.
Are you saying they...
Yes! They paid your school fees. Listen, I think it is even wise for you to begin now to see them as your mothers.
Eh?
Yes.
Eh? Never! They will never be my mothers. They will never! What?
Wahala dey for who no get it, wahala be my love. Trouble no dey for who no get it, trouble. If you ask Ngozi who you dey cook for, she go say. If you ask Wakeko who you go die for, she go say.
Is this one you're coming from the direction of my house? I hope all is well.
I went to look for you.
Look for me for what now? Oh, Ijoma. What is it that couldn't wait till you meet at our usual spot? Okay, man, like my people do not like you. I like Rocky.
Well, that doesn't matter now that I'm carrying your child.
Eh? Ijoma, I thought you were joking.
You thought I was joking? Oh, sorry, I wasn't.
Oh, Ijoma. Ibro no belenwa now. Ibro no belenwa. You're an adult. How could you allow yourself get pregnant?
Don't you ever ask me that kind of stupid question again. You know I hate it. You wouldn't like sleeping with me without protection.
You know it's sweeter, eh? Okoto. Flesh to flesh. Now to wo.
Okay, nah. Okoto is sweeter. And you have seen the outcome.
As it is now, I don't have any money to take care of you and the baby. And you know it.
Just listen to yourself talk. As it is now, I don't want to take care of you and the baby. Yet you like sweeter things. Have you ever seen a man that does not have money eat sweet food? Better soup, now money cook am.
Yeah. Come, let's leave this place and go to a more comfortable place and discuss this matter. Yeah. Come on, let's go. Ijoma, I said you should have bought the baby. I am not ready to be a father, at least not now.
I will not do it. What do you know you're asking me to do? To risk my life.
You're not risking anything. Eh? Nothing will happen to you. People do abortion every day and nothing happens to them.
People, you say. I am not people. I am Ijeoma. I cannot abort my baby because it's risky.
Then you take full responsibility of the baby then.
Are you talking to me like that, Ugochukwu?
Ijeoma, you're leaving me with no option, eh? You're leaving me with no option.
How on earth did I ever believe that you loved me?
To be asking yourself that question, not me.
I won't blame myself. But I give you my word. You will take full responsibility for this baby, whether you like it or not.
Ijeoma, tell me, are you threatening me? Listen. How am I even sure I'm the biological father of this baby? How?
You're talking to me like that.
Jebu? Papa, why are you screaming my name like someone that took an overnight palm wine?
Methodalo, get your mouth, idiot. You told me you didn't commit any crime before leaving Charity's house.
Yes, I did. Did anyone say otherwise? No, just show me the person now. Let me teach them.
Will you shut up? You stole her husband's money before leaving that house. Is it true?
Did they see me? How did they know I'm the one?
You're asking me. Are you asking me? Now, where's the money? Tell me where the money is.
Just because of common 10,000 naira that I didn't even steal, I took. That's why you are shouting as if you are protesting for NSAS. Papa, please, this is your beard. Respect your beard too.
Will you shut up? Am I the one you're talking to like that? Oh, you're now trying to compare me with NSAS slogan. Don't worry. I will end you before that slogan will end. Idiot. You're making mockery of my peers. And you're seated here drinking Coke and eating granuts. Idiot.
Wahala dey for who no get it, wahala dey my love. Trouble no dey.
I don't really talk to my brother about you, so he said you can be coming tomorrow.
How do I locate him?
That shouldn't be a problem. He will be at the park waiting for you. Once you arrive the city, he will pick you from there, then you two go home.
Thank you so much, Obim. What would I have done without you?
Obim, it's nothing. It's alright. At least it's for our own benefit and for the future of our born children.
That was thoughtful of you. Not all will think to that direction.
Maybe because my heart beats strongly for you.
And mine too. I love you so much.
I love you too.
Thank you so much.
Let's be going. It's not that conducive.
What is the problem?
We are not happy because of gossip like you.
You are not happy because of gossip like me. I don't understand. What do you mean by that statement?
What did you tell your friend Chukudi about us? What did you tell him? Talk!
Chukudi told you? Guy, I say those girls they smell for Africa. To see aqua.
Which girl? This one.
Who tell you? I dey tell you something they ask me. Guy, I say I don't knock them left, right, center, back, front. The day when I took and put, as I took and put, remove them. Guy, now so my room start to smell as if saying a burial ground. Especially that when call herself a that guy. That guy only now 190 degrees centigrade centimeter. Guy, not Joko.
Etiko, if you see where these girls then they form. They form past Sharon Francis.
And you want tell me?
Look at Miss Ward.
See the way that they waka. That even make me those them, man. See the way that they waka now. Catwalk.
Sharon Francis.
Dog walk. Guy, all the work now them sabi now.
They want to come for.
If one reason their matter will not come out yet, the guy come and go drink.
They want to come for.
Come and go drink.
Hiya, ka.
Come and go drink.
Girls.
Now people like me.
So you have suddenly become deaf and dumb.
See, I can explain. Whatever Chukwudi might have told you people is a lie. I can explain. Just calm down, please.
We should calm down.
I can explain. Chukwudi is a liar.
You say we should calm down? Ada, it's okay. Let's teach him how to calm down.
Please, you won't give me up. You don't have power. You don't have power, right? It's okay. Mine. You won't give me up. Hey, I don't have to do it. Hey, don't save me.
What is it? Why do you keep face like a hero being dragged to the market?
No, I hate God. No, leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Leave you alone. Aya, tell me, who provoked you? Maybe I can be of help.
Is you know that that girl Machi or what they call her?
Machi. What did she do to you?
That girl said no to me. She said no to my relationship proposal.
So what was her reason?
Now is the most annoying part. That Mwa Bebuka, look at me. That I am too young, that we are too young for a serious relationship. Oblong party.
She's right now. Are you not a small boy?
Mwa.
Are you not young? Oh, wait. You think you have become a man because of that tiny thing you have in between your legs?
Yes.
Eh?
Tiny thing. Sister, you call my thing tiny thing. Have you seen it before? Sister of Amarachi. Why do you call you sister? Amarachi. Don't underestimate me. Don't underestimate me. If not that you are my sister, now I'm gonna say let's just throw away by that backyard so that you can test and testify.
Ha! Testify, you dear idiots. Don't go and look for something doing. Eh? Just be going about in this village looking for small girls to deceive. Thank God Machi is wise. Please, when Mama comes back, tell her I've gone to the market.
Look there. That will tell you. Go and get that rope so that you can tie me to this tree. He came over and watch him so that I will stay in this village and be delivering messages for you. Ebele Okaro. Rubbish.
Yeah. Ebuka. Oh, do I look like a machine that broke your heart? When I know come out.
Good afternoon.
Hey. Good afternoon. Kedo?
I'm fine, thank you. Okay. You are the man who came to my father's house to warn him to stay away from your mother.
Oh yes. You are Mandy's daughter?
Yes, I am.
Oh.
Yes. Please, I want to ask, is there any way we can achieve that? Because I have been trying to stop him from dating widows, but all to no avail. Please, is there something you think we can do to stop him?
Sure. There's something we can do. And I am happy you are not in agreement with this character.
I'm not.
I'm very, very happy. And as such, I'll come up with a plan.
Okay.
Sure. A very perfect plan that when I do, I'll inform you.
I will appreciate that.
I will.
Thank you.
Oh.
Thank you very much.
What a good girl.
I have to be.
No, no problems. No
Thank
problem.
you.
You're welcome. Thank you. Yes.
Wahala dey for who no get it. Wahala trouble no dey for who no get it.
So what do you want me to do?
I want you to marry me. I want you to marry me.
You want me to marry you? How is that possible?
How is it not possible? Marry me. This is all I ask of you. Is that too much to ask for?
But you are already married.
You know my husband is dead. My husband is dead.
Bride price was paid on your head. It is a taboo in Igbo land for a woman's bride price to be paid twice without refunding the first.
Then I'll ask my people to refund the money. I'll tell them to refund the money, and your money will be the one on my head.
Wakego, am I not loving you enough like this? Why are you asking for marriage? Huh?
This is the only legal way you can become married. Then I don't have to fight anyone.
What you're asking for is too much, oh.
Are you going to do it or not?
I'll think about it.
I know you will think about it. See. I know.
I'm sure after today, it does not need a prophet to tell not to gossip about us again.
Exactly. I am very happy we taught him a better lesson. He will see us as a nightmare in this village and respect us. I am so happy. Honestly, had it been we did not beat that guy today, I wouldn't have been happy with myself. Exactly, me too. I am very happy. The intestine in my tongue is sleeping food. I'm very happy that we dealt with him today.
I think I'm very, very fulfilled.
Okay.
Amachi.
Ndudi, what is it? And where are you going to this hot afternoon?
Don't I have right to walk around in my own village again?
I didn't say so. It's just that I know you too well. Wherever you're going to this hot afternoon is powered by gossip.
Whatever. Actually, I was coming to your house.
To my house? To do what?
I heard that Uzona, your brother, is back. Is it true?
We heard that Uzona, my brother, is back. Please, which station gave you this info?
Answer me first now.
I've answered you already. Whichever station that gave this info should be shut down because it is fake. Yes.
Anyways, nobody told me. Just that I saw a car drove past me and the car drove directly to your house. And so I came to confirm maybe it's true. I don't want to be caught unawares.
So any car you see now driving towards my house, automatically is my brother was on now. Chai. Joblessness, Obesity disease.
But I'm not jobless. Okay. At least I have something that keeps me busy. Hey. Nah, what the guy was on well, let me be going back.
Wakego na Ngozi, they said they love Amadi. Wakego na Ngozi, said they go die for Amadi. Every day and night, then they fight for Amadi.
Must you greet me anytime you see me? Tell me what is good about this afternoon that you're greeting me. What is good about the afternoon?
I'm sorry, Mama.
Sorry for yourself.
I'm just coming from your house. And I only found Chizoba.
Why will you go to my house? Is my house a refugee camp?
I wanted to tell you that I'm pregnant for your son.
You said?
I'm pregnant for your son.
Hey! Award-winning pregnancy. You are pregnant for my son. Which of my sons?
Ugochukwu, my boyfriend.
Ugochukwu, your boyfriend. And you stand before me to call my son your boyfriend. Now listen. Go to those people that sent you after my family and tell them you did not see us. Because there's no how my own son will marry you. And take this thing in your womb to wherever you got it from. Because it's not from my family. I want to tell you that my son is pregnant. We keep walking about the whole village, announcing that you're pregnant to anybody you see. You may fable. Yeah, you. Yeah. Yeah, you.
Mama. Ma, how can you call me a gold digger?
Are you not?
Which gold am I digging from your son? Who has nothing doing? I'm even the one that used to spend my money on him.
Did I beg you? I am gay. Didn't I warn you to leave my son alone for me? Eh? Oh, this is your strategy. Your plan of telling the whole village that my son has nothing doing. Okay? This is your plan, okay?
Mama, I'm not a gold digger, neither am I a spy. And you know it. I only love your son.
You said love. Love? May the ancestors that know what true love is cripple you there. And listen, you witch. You can never tie down my son's destiny. Try it.
I have nowhere else to go to. If my mother finds out I'm pregnant, she will definitely throw me out of the house.
You don't have anywhere to go. I know where you will go. Go to enter inside the bush and live there. Or enter into any uncompleted building. Or anywhere you choose to stay. Go there and stay. Or preferably, that place both of you wait and eat to do that thing. Go there and stay. Of course, not my house. Here you. Oh, yeah, you cable. Original one. One.
What sort of fun did I get myself into?
Ejike. Blood. What happened to you? Who did this to you?
I was coming when one wild animal from nowhere just attacked me.
Wild animal?
Yes.
But this doesn't look like one inflicted by a wild animal. It looks like beating. Did you fight with anyone?
Injury gynecologist. You should have told me you've now started studying human injuries and what inflicts them. Please, I beg you. When it finally happens to you, go and practice it with yourself. Not me. I'm not in the mood, please.
You don't want to say what happened to you, right?
You claim you already know now. You know us. You know everything. You're asking me. Rubbish. I don't have time for you, please.
Only God knows the kind of problem his mouth must have landed him into. Wild animal, go. Wild animal.
Mama, Ugochukwu knows that my major problem with him is dating that girl. Yet, he still went ahead and impregnated her.
My son, I don't care whatever Ugochukwu does with that stupid girl. Whether he gets her pregnant or not, that's not my business. What I am concerned about is Ugochukwu will not bring that silly girl into my house.
Yes, Mama.
That girl will not enter my house.
Yes, Mama, you must not allow that girl to come into this house.
Finish.
Not after her mother called you a prostitute the other day.
Nonsense.
Anyways, Mama, that's not the reason I'm here. I'm here to let you know that I'll be traveling to the city tomorrow morning.
Olugo! That is one. Ooh, I'm so happy with this news. Thank God. My son will soon go to the city. Everything will change here. My God will keep you strong. Amen. He will protect you. He will prosper you in that land of in that city. Hey.
You see, Mama.
I'm so happy.
I'll keep Mama.
Amen.
As for Ugochukwu and his girlfriend, you can treat their matter whichever way however you want it.
Ah, my son, it is settled. You trust me, you know what I can do. You go to your brother, bro. Yeah, yo. Yeah. That silly girl. Yeah, yo. Two of them, if I match two of them together, they're not up to one. Yeah, yo. So I will deal with them. Oh, you know what I can do.
I know what you're capable
now.
of doing. Without wasting much of my time, Mama, let me get in and make some preparation.
Okay, you want to start preparing now? Good. Go and get me.
Yes, ma'am. If you want me to pack your bags, I can come and help you pack your food. If there's any of your clothes that are still remaining dirty, I wash it for you. You can't remember. No phone, man. No food. Yeah, you. Yeah. What's it take, man?
Sorry, do I know you before now?
Yes, now. How can you say you don't know me when I know you? I know you, so you should know me.
I don't know you.
No, you know me, but you don't know that you know me. Are you not Ebube?
Ebube? No, I'm Chinyere.
Ah, yes, Chinyere. Ebube is the same girl I met the day I met you. It's confusing. So, where are you going to?
I'm going to buy something.
Okay, I'm going to check out one of my building sites. So, can I have your number?
I don't have a phone.
That's why you need people like us in your life. So, where can I see you?
I don't know, maybe later, I don't know. I don't have a phone.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
No problem.
Always try and stay focused once you get to the city so you can achieve your dreams. So don't allow these beautiful city girls to distract you. Also know there is a heart that beats genuinely for you in this village. City girls are just good girls.
Obim, I know all that. Okay? I won't forget you. I already promised you that come rain, come shine, you'll be the mother of my unborn children. So you don't have to worry yourself.
I believe you.
And of course, you know I'm going to stay with your blood brother in the city. So definitely, he'll caution me or even inform you if I misbehave.
I know, but I just want you to be careful. Also be vigilant, okay? I don't want someone to take you away from me. Okay. Once you get to the city, be careful, okay?
It's okay. You don't have to worry yourself.
Okay.
I won't disappoint you.
Okay. I miss you. Don't make me cry now.
And don't miss me too much. Don't worry, I'll be safe for you.
Okay, be going.
No, you go first.
No, you
I can go from here.
I should go?
Yes, go. Obim, go. I can take care of myself. Go. I want to see you going.
Be going now.
You go. Go. Bye-bye.
What are you doing?
Mama, I'm cultivating ridges.
You're cultivating ridges?
Yes.
So you now answer my question this way.
Mama, you got the answer you wanted.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Mama, what did you just do?
I seized the food. You said you are cultivating ridges. Go inside the bush and cultivate riches. I have seized the food. Just look at you. Shameless he-goat. That's what you are. Look at you. Your younger brother has gone to the city to seek for a better livelihood. And what do? You sit, eat, and impregnate all the youngest in this village. Shameless he-goat. That's what you are.
You're insulting me, Mama.
Was I ever wanting to praise you? Eh? Firstborn good for nothing. Useless thing. Eh?
Let me remind you. Yes, my younger brother went to the city to make money. But let me remind you, I will make money before him. Before I will
Hey! God forbid. If this is a curse, let me tell you. Main road. Yes. In a boutique. In my favor. Do you know what you are? You. Afoni. Yo, that's what you are. Nonsense. Solo. Swallow it like that. Yes. You.
Begging me like your whole life depends on this relationship, eh? Am I with your kidney?
Machi, I hate being rejected.
No one likes it either.
At least that should explain to you how hot I feel inside. See, whenever a woman says no to me, it makes me believe that there is something abnormal in me. And if you continue with this, no, I may commit suicide though.
Suicide?
I will commit suicide. You heard me.
Because this is obsession, not love. Eh? This is obsession.
How can you conclude that this is obsession when you do not know what I feel inside? Eh?
Okay. I will accept this relationship proposal on one condition.
Are you serious? Name it. Any condition.
You will not touch me. You will not even kiss me. Just be there.
What kind of love is that one?
I've told you.
Don't worry, when we get to that bridge, we will cross it.
I'm not crossing any bridge. Don't even touch me. I'm not joking, don't touch me.
Bam! I never knew you were this wicked and heartless. I told you something as a friend that you are to me, and the best you could do is to stab me at my back. You went ahead and told those guys exactly what I told you. Guy, I'm disappointed. Big time. Etiko, do you know why? Huh? Because I'm a man of wisdom. And when I speak in gustos. Etiko, you are the one that is very wicked and heartless here. Yes. Because I remember telling you how much I love those girls. You went and played the penalty through my back. The courage. They say, these girls, they do smell. Are you mad? Now I see where this is coming from. So it was because I told you how I slept with those girls. You went ahead and did what you did. Bro, remember, law of karma exists. And whatever goes around, comes around. That's laws of gravity. I just want you to get something clear. I'm leaving this community for good. You can have all the girls to yourself. Oh my God. Selfish human being. Oh my God. Mbruzi like King Solomon. Come back here. Come back here. I'm talking. You are walking away from me. Are you mad? See, let me even ask you. Since we started this our friendship, look at fine boy. Eh? So this is what you have to say. After all I've done for you. Don't worry. Come on, cut away from here. Is it not you? Don't worry. See, Etiko. Yeah, kaka. No problem.
While I there for who no get it.
You're here.
Hey. How are you doing?
I'm fine, Onyam. And what do you have in there?
Oh. I prepared your favorite meal.
Papa, the food is ready. Please eat.
Didn't you see her? She's old enough to be your mother. Come on, go ahead and greet her.
Papa, yes, she's old enough to be my mother, but she's not my mother. Eat your food, please.
Are you out of your mind? In a parlor?
Oh, yeah. Please leave her. She's only but a child.
You are lucky I am in my good mood this morning. Before the count of 3. I don't want to see you or this your so-called food here.
Papa, are you going to reject my food because she brought that poison to you?
How dare you speak such ill of my queen? Are you mad? Now take this nonsense out of here. I'm so sorry. Like you rightly said earlier, she's only but a small girl. Etiko, hope you more.
I understand, William. Okay. Let me go to the kitchen and get a plate to dish the food.
What an aroma.
Hey! What a woman!
Chocolate is Suzuka. You did tell me that you are sweet like this.
What do you mean?
Now $1 million cage.
Please.
Okay.
Yeah, now that you know so.
I'll just customize it as my balance diet. Hey!
I'm not serious. Please go before my mother comes back.
Hey. Ah, no need. Pardon, hey! I'm actually this is you. So this is you.
So when did you come back?
I came back long enough to must have had your soundtrack from the window at the backyard. Give it them soundtrack. And I hey. Oh, so you thought I was going to like this? See, book on the this idiot. Look at the dirty pig in our challenge. Did you wear bang? Hey, Buka, who can't dash you this morana? Mua, Chuku the ones that pig on the place. Yeah, ka. I am good in certain traffic. I am good in certain traffic. Hey, calm down. You got a pig. My father's house. Now who was in my bed? Bed, the mama wants for the bed. But you're spoiling with this idiot. On that one, boom. I don't want mama come back. He got no there.
Don't tell mama.
Don't touch me that. After doing all that thing, how's it touching me? Are you mad?
Don't tell mama.
Wait till mama comes back. Oh man, I will pure wire news. Pure wire latest. Oh, I heard everything. Talk. If you talk to me again now.
Who is in this house? No, come out. You people are wasting my time. Please, I don't have time to waste.
What is this animal? It's barking everywhere. Why are you shouting?
Moa.
Kifina potro kilefi.
Anoma. Moa anima.
If you like one and why now wali no so can there.
Moa iriefi. Nanem. Moa barking, making noise.
What is it?
Please, where is that your he-goat of a son? Where is he? Please call him for me. Oh?
What?
I don't have time.
I will disappoint you because I don't have any he-goat. Except you are referring to my first son, who has reduced himself, stooped so low to sleep with this she-goat you brought him as a daughter.
Me, I'm not a she-goat too.
Osegene.
Will you shut up your mouth? You're not even ashamed of yourself. Oh. Look at the shame you have brought to yourself. Look at it. I don't blame you. But meanwhile, Wakego, I just brought your container. Your son brought from Saudi Arabia. Free of charge. I don't need bride price. Oh, just take her, use her, whatever you like, do with her. Madam,
she goat. How can you forget the name of your
she
daughter?
Goat. You are welcome to your new
Which home? Which home? Which
home?
Come and take this thing that you did not bring up very well. There are only she goats that you did not pray.
Why like that?
What are you still doing here? Are you still looking at me? Tell her run and follow your useless mother. Tell her run and follow your useless mother, Isa.
I'm not going anywhere.
So let me tell you, there's no space for you in this house. There's not even one single space for you to stay. And I don't like harboring she goats like you in my house.
I'm not going anywhere. Where is my love?
Also love. Also love. Come on, follow your mother, Isa. I don't blame I don't even blame you. I blame that this useless son of mine. On what put the choice? What put taste?
Mama, I'm telling you, she's a loose girl. I was even listening to the sound from the window.
Come on, I'm near back to theater.
Mama, what is it now? Is it not ordinary granite?
Okay. What happened here today?
I don't understand.
Who did you invite here today? You don't understand that some Latin. Who did you invite here today?
Oh, he has told you. Hi, Ebuka. You're a disgrace to manhood. Shameless gossip.
Yeah, boy. Let it be. Huh? I agree.
Okay, wrap it. Who did you invite?
Mama, I invited my boyfriend over.
You invited your boyfriend over to my house to come and sleep with you, okay?
No, Mama. Or do you want us to do it inside the bush?
Oh. Neku. You are now talking back at me.
Mama, I'm not dumb now. You asked me a question and I answered you.
So Ulugo to
Mama, you have to mind the way you talk to me in this house. Eh? Is it because I've been keeping quiet?
Will you shut up? Keeping quiet over what?
Over all the atrocities you've been committing in this village. How many times have you brought Amandi home to sleep with in this house? Did I complain? You fight shamelessly in the entire village. Do I complain? Now you want to bring down this house because I had brought my boyfriend home for us to have fun.
So you're still talking? You can warn you,
Mama. Respect your old age. If you want peace in this house, day your lane. Let me make her day my lane. Don't cross my path. I beg go. It's for you. Useless gossip.
Mama, I heard it too. I heard it loud and clear. You are her role model. I will make a mayor. She wants to be like you when she grows up. Let her go. Yes, Mama.
Debia. Get out.
Mama.
Get out. Who?
Mama.
Who's role model?
Ijoma, what are you doing here?
My mother found out that I'm pregnant and sent me out of the house.
You have not answered my question.
I'm not the father of my unborn child.
Ijoma, if you had listened to me from the beginning to abort this pregnancy, we won't be in this mess now. We won't be.
What mess is more than me losing my life while performing an abortion?
You sound so sure. Who told you you're going to die? People do this every day.
See, I cannot risk my life. Okay, we'll go. I thought you said you love me. Oh, so you have been deceiving me all this while?
Joma, come on, me deceive you. You know I love you. I love you so much.
Then take me in as your wife.
Choma, you won't understand. You won't understand. Eh? You won't understand.
Make me understand.
Choma, I do not have money to take care of you and this baby. I do not. I'm jobless for now.
Did I complain? We are both in this village and we can find something doing to help ourselves.
Choma, it's easier said than done now. Eh? You just say you think it's easy like that. It's not.
Yeah, I'm not going anywhere. You are the father of my child and you will take responsibilities.
What are you doing with that small boy, Joko? My dear, that small boy, like you said, is small but mighty. He may be small in size, but you see, his pocket is bigger than his looks. What do you mean by that? That boy has money. Money as in Ojego. Was that one who told you to deceive you? To deceive me? I'm telling you what I saw with my 2 kolo eyes. See, if you see phone, machine this boy is using, you will run mad. Are you sure? Do I look like I'm not sure? I'm telling you what I saw and not what I was told. But where do you get the money to buy such expensive phone? My dear, I don't know. If you ask me, who will I ask? But all I can say is Jeko has money. And you know your girl, I need money to take care of myself.
I trust you.
I know they don't.
I
So
trust
I'm not
you.
going to leave him for anybody.
You like money.
I beg, let's
Money,
go.
girl.
But what are you doing standing here?
Your mother denied me entrance.
Huh? My mother did what? Why? Come on, let's go inside.
Where? Go inside where? Where should I, where are you going to? So let me tell you, you're not entering this house. You won't enter this house because there's no space for you in this house. So let's go where? On Kelo.
As commander and thief of armed robbers, Mama. Mama, tell me, have you forgotten that I'm the first son? And by right, I own this house since my father died. Mama, have you forgotten? KKO.
And have you forgotten that I have every right to disown you? As a matter of fact, what am I even saying? Haven't I told you that you're no longer the first son? I did not give birth to you first, but Arinze came out first. So you are no longer my first son. Arinze is.
Mama, come. Mama.
Papa.
Let's go.
I told you.
No, don't you
Original Ayiyayo. I told you that I don't want to see you in my house. Take her to her stupid, useless, good for nothing mother that did not bring her up very well. Iyayo, Yayis, both of you, Yayis, not in my house. When my razor comes, you will do everything right for me and I will be happy.
Wahala dey for who no get it, wahala.
What is it?
Answer my greetings first now.
Is that the proper way to greet your father?
That is how you deserve to be greeted. See, I never knew you were this popular until today.
How do you mean?
My father is the most popular man in this community. Even the children sing praises of your doings. I heard that you now tidy 2 widows in this community. 2, not 1. Ah. And they are even fighting because of you.
People, leave my presence now. I said leave my presence now.
Papa, how can I leave when I'm not done talking now? See, I'm not against you tidying all the widows in this community. But you should have waited small after my mother's death. At least to show her respect. Well, all is well. At least I now know who I look like.
Will you shut up there, you useless boy? Come on, get out. Oh God. They took a kalanga. Oh no. Useless boy.
How am I seeing?
Didi.
Jacinta.
How are you?
I'm fine. Jacinta, is this you?
It's me, oh.
Hey!
Longest time.
Yes, so.
You're not looking bad at all.
And you're not looking bad either. Look at you now. You've turned robot. So when did you return?
A week ago.
Yes.
I thought you're no longer in this village.
Where else can I be if not in this village? Eh? When neighbor was on Nagani, no leave, no transfer.
Avio. So where are you headed?
My mother actually sent me on an errand.
Okay. Okay, I ask him some.
Wait, I'll be coming to your house later to collect my own bread though. I don't want to hear it has finished.
You. Okay, when you come, no problem.
It's about them.
Didi.
Hey!
Hey, madam, come back. Where do you think you are going?
Am I in a kind of prison that I can no longer go out?
Are you now trying to say that I do not have the right to question your movements?
Yes, you don't. You're not my husband.
Really? I am not your husband. And who is your husband, if I may ask? Who is your husband? The last time I checked, my brother is not yet married to you. Don't forget that. You both are still doing all this, should I call it upgraded boyfriend and girlfriend stuff. Don't forget that. So where are you going to?
See, Chizoba, I don't have time for these your troubles this early morning. Please.
Oh. So I'm now a talkative.
I never said so. Just that you so much cherish troubles.
Hey! So, you're trying to say that I'm now a troublemaker, right? I'm a troublemaker. Now let me show you what trouble is all about. Let me see what trouble is all about. Idiot! Stupid girl! I cherish trouble. I cherish trouble.
What have you done?
You're asking me what I've done? You're asking me what I've done? Exactly what you witnessed is what I did. Stupid girl. Come and go out and let me see you. No, come and go out. Let me see you. Upgraded Dumbweke. You want to go out? Come on, go inside. You want to go out? Upgraded Chinko phone. Now, we are it.
Yes, now. I'll call you back. Yes.
Hi, it's here.
How may I be of help?
My name is Ogechi, daughter of late Mazi Ohizu. My father is a very close friend of your father while he was still alive.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you can even ask your father.
So, what do you want me to do?
They said they love Amadi.
Thank God I met you here. I was even on my way to your house.
You are on your way to my house?
Yes.
Why will you ever think of going to my house? As what? Eh? No, wait. Is my house a refugee camp where mad people like you are preserved?
Anyway, I did not come here to banter words with you. No, not possible. Million class. You understand? I have just come to warn you.
Wow. You said you did what?
I came to warn you.
You came to warn me? Yes. You came to warn me as what? Eh? No, why would you warn me? As mates or classmates or what? What level? Is that one?
Thank God you started it. Thank God you mentioned it.
I won.
Okay, class. Take a look at me. Then look at yourself.
Ilu class him. You are not anywhere close to my level. Check it now. Okay. All your life, have you ever been to the city? Obugodo Onitsha, Aba, Enugu Eba. Have you been to those cities? You see this Ngozi Chukwuka? Eh? I have been to Abuja, Lagos, and other big places. Well, I have not come to talk to a timid woman like you, a classless woman like you. I just want to warn you not to go anywhere close to my boyfriend. Obim, my love, don't try it. Makife meme
Because can you vomit that nonsense again? He said I should not go close to what?
My boyfriend, Obim.
Do you know what you are? A toothless bulldog. That's what you are. Mechiano! Gazeka! In Asiri Abuja, Kaduna, in the Jalo City. Then you come here, right inside this village, Ebemuabu village champion, to contest my own Otobim with me. See, let me tell you, I don't ever want to see you close to my boyfriend again. Because I have prepared a concentrated acid for this your face. I will decorate your face. Next time I see you take this your stupid 2 legs to his house. Me take a bar. Your face ablugo gonna. Yes.
Now I know your anger. Now I know you're jealous of me.
I don't care who you are.
Look at me now.
I care about my boyfriend. Also,
which boyfriend?
Madam City. Let me tell you, Muabu, village champion. I agreed. Anyway, if you know what is good for you, go to the city and look for your own boyfriends there. Okay, boyfriend man inside this village belongs to me.
Amandi is my boyfriend, not your boyfriend. So listen. I will not want you again.
Okay.
I will not want you again. If I see you anywhere close to him, you might have been name operator. Maka iwogi nani ma woge pra.
Machano because Ngozi kakano ife. Osnoga wom nani. Na kwa ifebu. Ya yes. Iya yo. Imiyana iya yo. On kanji kale. Ifebu ya. Ya yes.
I don't know. Leave my boyfriend alone.
If I see you,
I'm telling you.
Why
Onya my love. Yeah, my love.
Shut up. Go to the city. Rap planning for the village.
Onya obuna chonweta. Imani marom. Hey. Imani marom.
Jeko, I want you to promise me one thing.
What could that be? Do you need money?
Yes, I need money. Oh. But money is not the problem. Jeko,
yeah?
I want you to promise me that you will never sleep with any other girl in this village.
Just that?
Yes, just that.
Don't worry. See, I will make you my one and only.
Okay. What of the money?
Don't worry. When we see next time, I will give you some money.
Okay.
We can start going.
Will you get inside and stop mopping at me? Get inside! I said you should get inside! Okay. You want me to go and boil hot water and pour you, right? Go inside!
Okay. What is going on here?
Just look at me. Look at me now. I came out dressed so I can go to the market to send me. Only for Chizoba here to baptize me with dirty water.
Chizoba, did you hear her?
Wait, Ijoma. You want to manufacture a crocodile tears? Because my brother is around. You want to jam our heads together, right? It will not work for you. It will never work for you. Stupid girl.
Chizoba, did you pour water on my wife? I asked you, did you pour water on my wife? You're telling me, eh?
But who is your wife? Who is your wife? But the last time I checked, you're very much single. Show me your fingers. Show me your hands. There's no ring on your finger. Show me your hand. Show me your hands. There's no ring on your finger. Which wife are you talking about? Eh? You are not married to her yet. She's not your wife. You're still very much single and searching. You're only expecting a baby from her. You're never sure the baby is yours.
You stupid! How dare you talk to me like that?
Okay. This one you are sweating like this. Where are you coming from?
Don't mind me. I went on an errand for my mom.
Is that why you are sweating like this?
I ran.
You need to go home. You need to go and freshen up. You know, Silveries, you are smelling. Are you not perceiving it?
I'm smelling.
Yes.
Oh. Okay, no problem. Where are you going to?
You know now, I need to go and see my Jeku. I need to discuss something very important with him. Please, man, I'm running late. Don't worry, later we'll see. Okay.
Keep your stupid greetings to yourself because I don't need it. You daughter of your witch. So this is your plan with your mother to turn my son against his family. Eh? To bewitch my son against his family. But I am happy to tell you that your evil plan will not work.
Mama, why are you shouting and accusing my wife? Why?
Bell, we said what? Oh, I am now shouting. Eh? Why did you touch Chizoba? Why did you slap her?
Mama, Chizoba is stupid and mannerless.
Yes, again,
she's stupid and mannerless.
Chizoba is now stupid. Your own sister. Because you accidentally impregnated this Akunatete Gobo. Eh? Let me tell you, Gangua, you are going to leave this house here and now. You are leaving this house, oh?
Mama, you lie.
Yes, again.
Mama, you lie. You lie. If anybody is leaving this house, it has to be you and Chizoba. Mama, remember no more Adiokwala. I'm the first son of this house. So whatever I say stands. She's not going anywhere.
Iyayo.
Mama, Iyayo.
Who gave you the mouth to say that? If I hear that ear in your mouth again, I will pull out your tongue and give it to go to eat. Monkey. Iyayo. Yeah. Is two of you. And you.
Mama,
let me tell you. You are not staying in this house. You are not going to stay in this house. So Ugochukwu, you now talk back at me. Eh? You now talk back at me. She will not stay in this house.
Mama.
You are not staying in this house.
Mama.
Okay. There is. Mama.
Stop.
While I there for who no get it, while I
Okay, Jacob, what about the money you promised me?
Is it no money? Don't worry. My ATM card expired yesterday. Then when I fix it, when I get a new one, I'll send something to you.
Okay. I love you.
I love you too. I'll start going.
Okay.
Fine here. You're not even taught safe. See what? Did you put money inside my pocket?
Mama, I'm even coming to your house in Aputa.
Coming to my house.
No.
What was as well?
Nego didn't work here. Do I look like someone who has a problem?
Ebuka, you look so happy and excited. What's the secret?
I won't tell you first. Guess.
I should guess.
Kotu.
Ebuka, I should guess. You and I know that even if I'm being given 50 chances to guess, I wouldn't still get it right. So, save us the stress and tell me what is it.
Okay, I will tell you. Now listen. I used to hear that evil men do lives with them, but I doubted it. Yesterday confirmed to me and further explained the saying that everyone must reap the fruit of their labor, whether good or bad.
Good. Ebuka. You know what? You have said nothing because I did not understand all of what you just said now.
Okay, let me further explain. Yeah. My mother has gotten a tip of what she deserves. Another day she got her.
Your mother? I don't understand. Your mother? What happened to her? Hope nothing bad has happened to her.
Machi, you now see me as the devil, isn't it? If not, how would you ever imagine that something even happened to my own mother and I'm happy about it?
Ebuka, I wouldn't know. Like, you've never hidden your hatred for her, so what do you want me to say?
Do you know who we're talking about? My mother, my own mother, who gave birth to me and breastfed me. Listen, I have no reason to hate my mother and I don't hate her. I am just trying to stop her from exhibiting her shameless attitude. That's just it.
Just it.
I'm just crying for a change.
Okay, if you say so. But can you just tell me more about all of this? Like, you've not even said anything. Talk to me.
Tell you more?
Yes, tell me.
Okay.
Papa, there is a saying that a helping hand is at the end of the sleeve.
Whenever you start to speak with adage, I know you are about to impose a difficult task on me. So tell me, what is it this time?
Papa, thank God you said a difficult task and not an impossible one. Father, no matter how committed one is, there's always a way of settlement. The more you feel committed, the bigger the commitments.
I know exactly where you are driving at. Wakego and Ngozi, right? Mwamputa. Puatania. If you want your daddy alive, just come out of there.
But you can still come out of all this madness with your life intact. Yes, you can. I am now a graduate. I can take care of myself and very soon I'll start taking care of you. There is no pressure on you. So I don't see any reason why you still need the assistance.
My daughter.
Papa.
The heart of a woman is wicked. They do not think twice whenever they want to deal with someone. They will go to any length just to achieve their desperate ambition. I love my life so much. I don't want to lose my life now.
Papa, it changes nothing. But I'm your only daughter. And your first child. Do not forget I'm also a woman. This stigma can hold me hostage. It can even stop blessings that will be coming my way. Papa, this has to stop.
Okay, so what do you suggest I do?
Who amongst them do you love most?
I love both of them.
What? Papa, who amongst them do you love more?
Though I love both of them, but I prefer Nwakego.
But she'll probably be heartbroken over what Amarachi said to her. Do you think so?
Machi, that is my major aim and I am beginning to achieve it. No, if you were in my shoes, would you rather be happy watching your mom go about the entire village fighting a widow over that old fool, that widower, that short man, maybe look at me?
But there are better ways to address issues like this. And not the way you just did it.
Machi, there are no other better ways to approach this than what I am doing now. I need to make my mom feel guilty over what she's doing. I am the last child of the house and most times they neglect my opinion. Amarachi and Ozona, my brother abroad, always side my mom in all the evil things she does. I need to make her regret her actions. That is the only way she can change.
No. But she's still your mom. Like, you shouldn't be rejoicing in her tears. It's not right, Ibuka. No.
Okay, I will try. I will try not to.
Okay, you know what? Come and escort me to Mama Nkechi's shop. I want to get some.
Are you sure?
Come on.
You know I like escorting you.
Come, Joe. Huh?
Alright, baby, I will turn your back. Let me hold you from behind.
Where?
From Azona. I don't let me hear me. Let me get my feet.
Jeku. Jeku.
Who is that?
Good day, sir.
Good day, young girl. How may I help you?
I'm here to see your son.
You who, my son?
Yes, sir.
What business do you have with him?
I'm pregnant for him.
What? You're pregnant for who?
For your son.
Yeku, Papa, come here. Do you know this girl?
She looks like someone I used to see in my dream.
Hey! Jeku, me in your dreams. I'm pregnant for you. Oh.
Pregnant for who?
For you.
You can see that you are under the influence of alcohol.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. And who are you?
Okay. What are you doing here? I'm pregnant for Jeku.
Hey! Okay, even you. Okay, you betrayed me.
I'm back Pakwelo. Who no like better say? Jeku, I'm pregnant for you.
Jeku, so you got 2 women pregnant at the same time in this short period you entered this village?
Papa, myself, I'm surprised though. I never knew I was such a sharpshooter like my father.
Like who? Which father? Nonsense. So you got both of you pregnant at the same time?
Yes, sir.
Wakego na Ngozi, they said they love Amadi. Wakego na Ngozi, said they go die for Amadi. Every day and night.
Hey. Hey. Thank you so much. From the aroma of this food, it's quite obvious it will taste very delicious.
Trust me for delicious meals.
No.
I brought you food quickly by myself. Which I can see.
As you can see, Ngozi here has already brought food for me. So yours will wait till evening time.
You know what? Obi, what are you saying? No, of course. My food cannot wait because it will get cold by the time and the taste will change. You need to eat it hot now. Instead, has to wait.
What is this? Did you just touch my food?
Yes, I did.
Are you mad? Wait a minute. Why would you touch my food? Eh?
I touched your food.
Yeah, you people
So
have to
what
stop
would you
this.
Onyem, stay out of this. I want to treat this woman's madness.
You want to treat
I cannot do anything.
I want to figure that
out.
Give that.
Hey. Yes, your food. It's enough. Poison. Poison. Yeah.
My head!
I'm sorry. Are you gonna rest now? Please for rest. Sorry. Don't touch my father. Don't touch him.
He doesn't know where.
Don't touch him. Please don't be man. Don't touch my father.
Wahala dey for who no get it, wahala.
Jacinta.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How is your father, his boy?
My father is okay. He's still in hospital taking treatment.
Is he getting any better?
It's too early to ask that. He lost too much blood, so the doctor said he's getting better.
I'm actually on my way to the hospital. You, where are you going?
I'm going back to the house to make vegetable soup for him. So when he wakes up, he'll have something to eat.
Oh, okay, hurry up while I spend some time with him. We'll be waiting for you to come back.
Alright, sir. Thank you.
I'll
be back soon.
I will be there.
Wakego na Ngozi yo, they say they love Amadi. Wakego.
Mama, why did you even fight? Must you fight at all times over everything?
She was the one who threw away my food. The food I cooked with my hard-earned money.
Those fighting solve every problem. Eh? Even if you succeeded in beating her, would your food return?
I just wanted to teach her a lesson. That's all.
You just wanted to teach her a lesson. Now you have landed yourself in big trouble. Eh? Have you fought her enough? Do you know you stand the chance of becoming a murderer in no distant time?
But I was not the one who hit him. It was Mwakego that hit him, not me.
Man, let's just pray nothing happens to him. Because if anything happens to him, he and Aka will hear in the Marganege. Hey, Mama. No, he may not die.
I hope so. Let us go into serious prayers for him to recover fast.
Prayers? Hey, Mama. Praying is a good idea, but I don't have strength to waste. Praying for someone I did not knock out.
You're now mocking me.
Mama, who said I'm mocking you? I'm not mocking you, I'm only saying the truth. I don't have strength to pray. Who said I'm mocking you? I'm only saying the truth.
Hey, Mama, Mama, you don't enter, Mama. Mama,
Ebuka, what is it now? Why are you crying?
Mama,
enter where now?
Mama, one chance, Mama, Mama, run as much as your legs can carry you, Mama, Baba.
How can I start running for something I do not know?
Mama, you have no head. Mama, you be here. Mama, you be here.
Ebuka, now, I heard what?
You don't even head. You don't be here.
Head what? Talk now.
Mama, you're the only one I have no head. Mama, how do I say it? Mama, you have no head. You have no head. Mama, you're telling me you have no head that Amandi is dead. Mama, who go? Mama, Mama, that's not why I'm crying. Oh, but you're going to Mama, hi, Mama, the police are everywhere in this village. Mama, police are looking for you. Me? You know the worst. I've carried one go. Mama, they have carried one go. Mama, what the worst? They wrote them sass on our home. I'm looking for me. I'm looking for you.
Wait for us, it is right now.
Mama.
There is fire on the mountain.
Mama.
Run, Mama. Bawa.
Mama, can you let Mama run? Mama.
Lock the gates so that they will not enter.
Mama, can I be wet?
Mama, the police, all the police, Mama. I can't get you.
For who no get it, trouble no there for who no get it, trouble. If you ask Ngozi who you dey cook for, she go say. If you ask Wakeko who you go die for, she go say. Ngozi is in love, she no one give up. Wakeko is in love, she no one give up.
Are you okay? I'm sorry for everything. It wasn't intentional.
I know. You don't have to feel sorry anymore. Alright? The only thing I need now is something to eat.
Okay, let me get
I'm so famished.
Let me get something.
No, don't worry. My daughter will take care of that. Jacinta! Please get me something to eat. Hi.
Should I cut orange?
How can I explain the fact that I abandoned him, only to resurface now?
Mama, I doubt if you still stand a chance because as it is now, you don't. Wakeko was with him in the hospital till he was discharged.
Chuebuka has killed me. What kind of a demon is that boy? Eh?
Is he not your son? You gave birth to him now.
I love Amandio. I love him so much. There's no way I can allow Wakego take him from me. No, it's not possible.
Mama, it seems you have already lost him to her.
No. In that case, I have to go there and explain everything to him.
Unless you are planning to cook up a very good lie. Because it will sound stupid to tell him that you ran away because you thought he was dead. Mama, don't even say that. He will not forgive you if you do. He won't listen to you.
So, what do I tell him when I get there?
Mama, you have to consult the gods, so because I'm not your chief advisor. After all, you did not allow me to bring my boyfriend in.
See, if you give me a solution that works, I will allow you bring anybody you want anytime.
Amazing. In that case, you have to go and beg him. Okay. Beg him without excuses.
Okay.
Then if he refuses to come back, I'll give you another idea. Thinking of something to work. Don't worry.
Thank you. I'll go.
I want to tell you something.
What is it you want to tell me?
I was thinking
It's high time you left this village for the city. Just like a younger brother. So you can find something to do and earn money.
You're right. I really need to leave this village for the city. But you see, the problem I'm having is, how do I go about it? I don't know how to. I've had thoughts too, over and over, but how to go about it has been a problem for me.
What are you finding difficult, my love?
You see, I really wanted to leave for the city after my younger brother left. But you became pregnant. And that changed my entire plans. How can I be comfortable in the city knowing fully well you're about put into bed? That's difficult for me. And knowing fully well my family doesn't like you. They don't. Living in this condition, and when they don't like you, that drags me back too. It drags me back. It stagnates me.
Well, you've shown me so much love and care, more than I ever thought you would. But you can do better. Only if you go to the city, make money, so that your family will respect you as the first son, and I as your wife.
You're correct, Joma. It's good I go to the city, make money, so my family will respect me as the Diopala and respect you as my wife. Yeah, but how can I live in a condition like this? How? How? You see, like I said, it bothers me. Secondly, makes me not comfortable. If only they like you, would have been a different ballgame. They don't like you. Can you cope?
Don't worry. I believe if I talk to my mother and explain things to her, she'll understand and allow me to stay with her till you come back. But first, I need to take a bold step.
Yeah, bold step. I truly need to take a bold step. I'm the Diopala. I need to lead by example.
Love you too.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
No. Now what of us? I want these.
Ebuka, how could you make such expensive joke? Eh? Don't you think that man would hate your mother for no reason?
Confirm. That is exactly what I want. I want that man to pursue my mother so she can come home and rest. That's what I want.
Why would you break the news of someone's death when the person is still alive? Eh? Are you wishing him death?
I come to watch out. I only told my mother. I only told my mother. Someone can work. I only told my mother. Oh, one day morning, Amarachi, she went about telling everybody that walk out, go walk in, go. It's not my fault.
Is it your fault? Is it your fault? Anyways, me, I am not with you on this one.
It's not a surprise. You have never supported me in all the good things I used to do. You don't supported me. You don't support me. But I'll keep on doing good things because it's my calling. And then I will not rest. I will not rest until I destroy their relationship. I'm going for that Agadi in Agadi. Okay, I'm going to destroy their relationship.
Destroyer?
Yeah.
Destroyer?
Nah, I'm told me.
Wait, Ebuka, how would you feel, if another man comes in now and is bent on destroying our own relationship?
Don't go there.
How would you feel?
We are both vibrant, handsome and beautiful young adults. They are old idiots that should be resting. No, their own is different. Don't compare our two. Let them go and rest and take care of their families. They have done enough from youth age to
Hey, Like, I don't even know. Why is this thing stopping you? Ebuka.
Wakeko na Ngozi, they said they love her madly. Wakeko na
Now you know who cares for you more.
I never knew Ngozi is this wicked. I thought she loved me and meant well for me.
Now you can see she does not. Papa, it is time for you to make choice wisely. Make your choice wisely.
Ngozi, what are you doing here? Oh, you heard that I am back and you came to see my corpse. Huh? You want to see me in a casket, right?
How can you say a thing like that? God forbid that I will ever wish you death. How can you ever insinuate such a thing?
So why did you and your family circulate my obituary to the entire community?
That was not what happened though. I was told that the police was after me. So I had to run for my dear life. I had to flee from this village.
Is this the love you claimed you have for me? Ngozi, even if I was dead, so this was the best and only way for you to pay me my last respect. By running away from the village and instructing your children to circulate my obituary. Hi, you're evil.
My person that I love so much. Please do not throw away everything we have shared. Please, I love you. I know that someone poisoned your mind about me. I love you.
He was loud and clear when he said you should leave here this minute. Leave! Mama.
Mama. You're still very young. You will not understand. Probably by the time you get to my age, you might understand.
Osigi, leave! Leave! Mama!
Hame. Onnaba.
Can you explain the meaning of love? Look at my head. On top of it, you claimed I was dead, sprayed the obituary, and you say you love me.
Mama, it's okay now. Stop crying. Eh?
Hey.
I told you.
Mama,
It's
it's me, your son.
Oh,
Mama. Why is Mama crying?
Hey, Namu.
Brother, you're welcome.
Where is Ebuka? Ebuka! Ebuka!
Hey, Ndidi. This one you saw me and you're shouting meso meso. I'm suspecting you. Hope all is well.
Meso, you're enjoying now. Wanna make give Paulina.
Enjoying? Which enjoyment? Can't go one name Paulina. Can be for enjoyment.
I heard your brother is back. And he came back with a big car.
When? How? I don't understand. Where? I don't understand. Where?
Who are you deceiving? You can't deceive me. Eh? Okay. What about the beautiful car that drove past me some minutes ago?
Oh, that. Is it who you're calling my brother? It's not my brother. How you calling saw that same car? Drove into Amarachi's compound. It could be the brother or someone else.
Uzonna is back. You know what? Let me hurry, okay? We'll see later.
Where are you going to?
You mangotan. You will not understand. Don't worry, we'll see later, okay?
What kind of a human being is this? This girl Ndidi, I don't know who gives her all the information she gets. And she's always updated. Ijiji tombo fly, ebeni no ne fium, and everything she knows and she will tell you accurate. Most times she even does mistake. What kind of person is this? I didn't matter if she's just everywhere. I didn't matter all like
Can I be this stupid? No, I'm not stupid. I just need to apply more wisdom. Can I be rushing to go and greet Uzonna, who came back with an expensive car, dressed like this, and still hoping he finds me attractive? Is that not stupidity? They say first impression matters a lot. He will categorize me as a local village champion. Immediately he sets his eyes on me, dressed like this. And I will never appear appealing to him, no matter how I try in the future. I can't afford to make this mistake. I think I have to run back home, put on one of my best clothes, and probably make my hair. Yes, that's what I want to do.
They said they love Amadi.
In as much as you try to cover up, you were shedding tears. Why?
I didn't know you noticed.
I did. And the question is, why should my golden mom, Afomureze, now Soweto, be shedding tears? It's crazy, Mama. Now tell me, who sponsored your tears? Can't Banyere have fame South Kokiri?
Mbana, Ulube no ke banye film. Just calm down, Biko.
Mama, why are you wasting time in telling him what actually happened? Who's on Nae? As a matter be, you know Amandi now?
Amandi? Yes, Mama's friend.
Confirm. Amandi dumps Mama for another widow.
Must you tell him like that? Must you say it that way?
I just told him what happened now. He asked me a question and I gave him an answer.
Shouldn't you have chosen your words? Why would you just say it like that?
Me, I don't know how to choose words, so you know I'm not very good at literature. So it's not my fault.
Silly.
Wakego na Ngozi said they go die for Amadi. Every day and night, then they fight.
If you want peace in this house, you must send that silly girl out of my house. Take her away.
Mama, that girl you are insulting every now and then happens to be carrying my baby.
And so? Answer me, and so? Iyayo, how am I even sure that you are the biological father of that thing in her womb? Eh?
Mama, it's not only about I'm the chemical father. But please, just allow her be. You see, this frustration you're giving that girl. Mama, I go change her for you. I go change her for you.
Chopao, you are not Polokoko. Has it come to the extent that you would threaten me in my own house?
Mama, call it anything. Call it anything, Biko.
Iyayo! Iyayo! You are talking to me. Don't worry. Very soon, when my son comes back with the kind of money I am expecting him to come back with, he went up na level. If I'm na level on nano.
You need to see what I just witnessed.
What did you say? What did you
witness? Who's on now?
Okay.
Ngozi's first son. He just entered this village with a very fine car. To see the car.
Are you sure of what you're saying?
Yes, now very sure.
Go.
Where's that old fool? Come out here! Who is that idiot that has come to my house to insult me?
Oh, sir, my son. Is that you? I'm sorry, I didn't know that was you. Please sit down. Am I the one you're calling idiot?
Am I stupid? How can I insult you when I have no idea that you are the one knocking at the door?
Please sit down, my son. I am not here to sit down. Now tell me, why did you drop my mother? Why did you sack my mother, your girlfriend? Because of one old fool, one old widow. Tell me, why did you sack my mother?
So she told you already?
Papa, who is that person always coming in piece of this compound with his noise? Who is that?
Hey, sorry. Your ATM fell off from your hand.
Thank you so much. Though it's of no use to me.
You look troubled. Is there a problem?
Yes. I do not have any dime in my account. So of what use is the ATM?
But why? Don't you work?
I do. But I've applied for South African visa with all my life savings. I do not have a dime on me. I am hungry and exhausted.
Sorry about that. Sorry.
It's alright.
Here. It will last you for today and tomorrow. Say 2 days before you get yourself fixed up.
All this for me?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank God.
Thank you.
Thank God. You have to be very careful so you don't walk into a moving vehicle. You get yourself hurt.
It's alright. It's alright.
Alright.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. The Good Samaritan woman.
My name is Jacinta, please.
Sorry, Jacinta.
You see, we live in a very small world.
So how come I did not know her? I never knew she grew up in this village.
There's no way you'll know her. You see, her mother died when she was very tender. So I sent her to her maternal home where she was raised.
Okay.
It was just recently after your departure from the village that she started visiting me from school.
Oh, I see.
Yes.
No wonder I've never seen this face in this village before.
I guess that justifies my earlier statement that we are like one family. So you don't need to shout. Just calm down. We can go inside and talk like men. You gotta go? Hey, let's go. Jacinta. Jacinta.
Are you calling me?
Yes. Sit down. Do you love him?
Papa, I don't understand it. Love who?
Do you love the young man that was here a few hours ago with his car?
Papa, how can you be asking me such question?
Because I am an elder. What I see seated, even on top of the highest mountain, you cannot see. I saw the way you were admiring him.
Yeah. Papa, I was only surprised about his sudden transformation. No feelings attached.
You must attach the feelings. The feelings has to be attached. It's very important.
Why?
Because from the look of things, that boy has money. Enough money to take good care of you.
Hey. Papa, is that all that matters to you? Money? You don't care if I love him. You don't even care if my heart beats for him.
Your heart will beat and will continue to beat the moment he starts showering you with money. So don't worry. Your heart will beat.
Hey. Papa, you need to reduce your quest for money. It's getting too much. It's getting too much.
What is the essence of life without money? Tell me. Just think about what I told you.
Papa, there's nothing to think about. I was in the kitchen when you called me. Going back.
What kind of a child is this? Why is this girl so stubborn? Eh? Why don't you seek it? You don't see a good thing when it's coming to you.
Hey, my friend, come back here. Why are you running?
My lovely sister. Okay. I even thought it was Uzonna.
I'm at Kolamaka. Lovely sister. Why were you running?
Sister Marachi, did you tell Boruzonna that I am the one that caused Mama's tears?
Hey, now I understand. So that's why you were running, Abi? Eh?
Answer me first now.
Well, I've not told him yet. But since you have just reminded me, once he comes back, I'll do that.
Hey, sister, I'm your lovely brother. You cannot do this to your own kid brother now.
Kid brother kill you there. Give me one reason I shouldn't.
I promise. I will give you my meat when Mama puts food for us tonight. I promise.
You give me your meat.
Yes, ma, please. Save your brother. I'll rather
Okay, let me go and come back first. Hey? This one you're wearing your Christmas clothes today. What are you celebrating?
Well done. Tell me. How do I look?
You try and find small sha, but that does not erase the fact that you are still an baking.
Anyway, as far as say fine there inside, I will console myself with that.
Hey. So where are you going to?
I'm going to your house, of course.
My house?
Uh-huh.
Who told you we are sharing Christmas rice in my house?
I am not coming to eat Christmas rice in your house. I heard your brother Uzonna is back. That's why I selected one of my best clothes to come and see him.
Jehovah. Hey. So the news of my brother's arrival has already gone around the village.
Bam.
Eh? Let me ask you. Who is sponsoring your stupidity?
Nobody. I am sponsoring it myself.
Thank God you know you are very stupid. Now listen to me. If I see you anywhere close to my house, I will empty a pot of hot water on you. Try me and see.
Amarachi, pot of hot water on me? Amarachi, am I not a fine girl? Wait, All the confusion I'm up, ma. Am I not sexy enough? Okay. Am I not your beautiful friend?
Ne, I don't keep stupid people as friends. Nonsense. Ne, turn around and go back to your house.
Wait, Amachi. You didn't see me well, look. I'm going to be fun. Amachi.
The money you gave me, Daddy, went a very long way. I was hoping to see you one day so that I can reward you. The greatest mistake I made was that I never took your number.
I wasn't expecting any reward when I did that for you. Yes, I did it because I had the money to do it. Besides, how would you remember to collect my number when hunger was dealing with your spirit, soul and body?
Jacinta, please do not remind me of those miserable days. It was terrible, you know.
See, if I don't remind you, you too will not forget. Because our miserable days, they are always there. We will never forget, even in our old age. So you see?
You are right, Jacinta.
I was on my way to get something that we need at home.
Okay.
See you.
It's all right, I'll come to your house. I must reward you.
Okay, if you insist. Bye.
All right.
How do I hide my face in shame? How I hide my face in shame? What do I do? Uzoma. Hey.
Mama? Mama? Mama?
Ugo?
But Mama, I thought you said you love this man.
I love him.
Then
Did I tell you otherwise?
Why did you abandon him in the hospital, despite being one of the reasons he was knocked out? Amarachi here even spread the rumor of his death.
Cut him here.
Ebuka, what did you do?
Mom, ask her. Small thing she was pointing at me. Look at him. What did I do?
He's the one that came to tell us that Amanda is dead. And the police are after Mama.
Ebuka, is that true?
Do I even know what I was doing that day? I was only acting under the influence of alcohol. Mind you, boom.
Hey! Ebuka, lie. When did you start taking beer? Or even alcoholic drinks?
It was the one inside the malt I drank that day that influenced me. High malt. I drank high malt. You know high malt now? And
Ebuka! Ebuka, how many times did I call you?
Brother, I start calling so I can count.
Mama, the most important thing here is that your son has made money. And I need you to be happy.
My son, I am already happy.
Mama, you are not as happy as I want you to. Mama, I do not want smiles to cease on your face. I want you to have all life requires to taste good. Mama, makana imureze. Your son Buodogu. If possible, I want the whole village to bow down to your feet.
son. That is why I cannot stop talking about you.
Well, you can say that again.
You're one in a million.
One more thing. I want you to make just one request, and it shall be granted. Just one request.
One request?
Just one request.
I want Amandi to marry me and forget about Nwakego.
Just that, Mama.
Just that.
Granted.
Granted.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you, my son. Thank you, my son. God bless you for me. Hey. Thank you.
I greet you. I want to talk to you.
Bianwakem, if you have something to say, say it and don't waste my time. Say it. Say whatever you want to say and don't disturb my peace. What is it? Greet you. Adamenu.
Oh, Mama. Ijoma has gone to stay temporarily with her mother.
Did you say temporary? I was waiting for you to tell me that she has gone there to stay permanently.
Sorry to disappoint you. It is temporal, not permanent.
Sorry for so wabayon. Sorry Eba.
Mama, allow me finish now. You're interrupting me. I'm not doing what I'm saying.
Because you are talking total nonsense. You don't have anything to utter. What if you're digging on?
At least be patient and listen to the nonsense. Mama, be patient now, okay? Mama, I'll be traveling to the city first thing tomorrow morning.
Chisiti phone. You're welcome. Was it now that all your mates left the village for the city? Or are you just realizing that because Uzonna came back with money and his mother will soon start insulting me? No, tell me. Or you want to run away from the village simply because Uzonna came back with money? Which one? Iyayo city. Imefebo, you are a total disgrace to Diokpala Hood. Thank God I never put my hope on you. My hope is on my son. I realize that my son will make me proud. Iyayo Diokpala. Yayist. Ya. Please leave my presence. Let me continue with what I'm doing. Don't just spoil my mood. Yayist.
Mama, thank God I have fulfilled all righteousness.
And what are righteousness in if you feel?
Excuse me.
I say excuse. Iyayo. Diokpala Oko. Ya. What okay, pastor? All your presence is anger.
What is it?
Pretender do the worst. Innocent Dikeh. You are asking us what is it, Abi?
So Jeku, after tampering with all the girls in this village, you think you can do the same to us and go free, Abi? It will never happen.
Uju Anada, people should not try anything stupid though. Because if you do, I will call the police with my expensive phone. Yes.
Did I hear you say you will call the police? If only you go home with that phone.
What?
Give it to me!
Wait. Please help! Hey! You are lucky. Yeah. My phone. Hi. My money. Oh.
Don't you come back, oh! Come back here now! This gets me.
What is it?
My name is Ndidi. I'm a good friend to your sister, Marachi.
Okay, so how may I help you?
No, I don't need your help. Just that...
Just that what? You're wasting my time.
I want to ask you a question.
Okay, I'm listening.
Am I a fine girl?
Don't you have mirror too?
I have.
So what did your mirror tell you?
My mirror said I am beautiful. So I want to confirm.
Well, your mirror was actually telling you lies. Moreover, you're putting on black. Are you mourning? My dear, you're so horrible.
Uzona, are you indirectly saying that I am ugly?
No, my dear. I'm only telling you what your mirror could not tell you. Good day.
Why did he use such hard words on me? Am I that ugly?
Jacinta! Jehu! Jacinta!
Papa. Okay. Why are you raising your voice? Are you okay?
Who took the 30,000 naira kept in my room?
30,000? Hey! Papa! It may be Jeku. Because I can't find his bag in his room again. Ha! Must have gone back to the city with your money. Hey!
This boy has finished me. What have I done to this useless boy called Jeku? Huh?
But, Papa, did you check under that under your bed?
Check everywhere.
Come. Hey, come out. Don't hide. I've already seen you. Can't get a balance. Eh?
What is it, Ngozi? What is it?
You will continue running away from me until you will run into a trailer that will kill you, because that is what you deserve.
Tell me, why will I be running from you? Eh? I only wanted to ease myself.
Anyway, both of us are still saying the same thing. Man, let me warn you. Don't ever talk when next I talk to you. If not, backhand. Foolish woman.
Ngozi, why all this? I have done nothing wrong to you this morning to warrant this your intimidation and embarrassment. Yeah? Or is it because your son has made money?
Eh? With your own mouth you have said it. Tell me, which of your children has become a millionaire? No, say it. And not but anything. Don't talk when I'm talking, no. Do not try it. Eh? When next I see you anywhere close to Amandi, I hate to repeat myself. Don't try it. Okay, Nanu? Don't just try it. Foolish woman.
Just because your sons have made money.
Yes, is it
your
easy?
son has made money. Nekwa blouse yi ko tasala ako. Nwa yi polo okreka yilikwe polo okreka na me.
Money.
Check ya anya otala ako.
Otara ako, that is the color.
What is otala ako?
Are you mad? Eh? Oh, come and stand here and talk to me. You're not afraid to talk to the mother of a millionaire. Foolish, stupid woman. Timid woman. Idiot. Idiot, that is the color. When next you talk to me anyhow, between foolish woman. Idiot.
Uzanna, this is why you're visiting me this early. I hope all is well.
There is another that says, a toad does not run in the daylight in vain. It must take a great ceremony for the appearance of Ijele, the graded masquerade. I am the latest masquerade of Ijele, and it must take something tangible to grace your compound this morning.
Yeah, of course I know that. So let me hear the reasons you're here.
I want you to accept my mother back. Yes. But that's not all. I heard that a woman named Wakego, my mother's rival, I do not want you to have anything to do with her anymore.
I heard what you said, my son. I don't mind forgiving your mother and accepting her back. But dumping Wakego, that's a different story altogether. I can't dump her because she was the only one that stood by me when I was in the hospital, when your mother abandoned me.
Even when I'm willing to buy you a brand new car and offer you the sum of 500,000 naira.
What did I just hear you say?
You heard my mouth.
You don't mean it, Mama.
My dear, I do. You needed to have seen the way she ran inside the bush when she saw me. Hey! Mbaki Yamano Dogwa Brogaine.
Hey, Mama! That means you are not a masquerade. That people see you and scamper for safety.
Ijele! Abumi Ijele, ami Ijele.
Ijele wanye.
Tuo mi ozo.
Ijele wanye.
Ne tu mi abiko.
Mama kato.
Na.
Mama,
Did you succeed?
does he have a choice?
Huh? When money is involved.
Exactly. Mama, do you know he wanted to prove stop until I promised to offer him 500,000 naira, which I've already given to him. And also I bought him a car, which is on the way to his house now.
500 what? What? You gave a man 500,000 naira. Okay, why now?
Ebuka, will you shut up and go inside? Ebuka, I've warned you, never you in your life come close to me again.
Why? Am I not your brother? Don't you have the same blood? I will say my own. I will say the truth. 500,000 naira and they can't. It's too much. Giving a stupid man such amount for no just wrong reason. Hey.
I think I agree with you, Luka. Eh? 500,000 is enough now. Why do you have to give him a car again?
A man who is dating should not be trekking around the village. He should own a car. Okay? Mama.
You did very well.
So what is it?
Am I the one you're talking to like this, baby? Have you forgotten so soon?
Forgotten? What is there to forget?
Don't tell me you are dumping me over the woman that left you to die in the hospital. And that was after his children have spread the rumors of your death.
Is it your death rumor? Is it not my own? How does that affect you in any way? Huh?
Obim, I was there for you. I was there.
Weren't you the one that hit me in the first place?
You know it was a mistake.
Good morning, sir. Please, is this Mazi Amandi's house?
Yes, you're speaking with Mazi Amandi.
Sir, please, can you come with me? Sir, this is the car whose owner promised you, and this is the car.
Huh? Thank you, my son. Have you seen it? Have you seen it? Onyowa.
Show me the money. My love is attached to it.
But how are you letting this eat you up?
He is spending money unnecessarily.
Spending money?
Yeah.
But it's his money now. Eh? It's his money he's spending.
You won't understand. I am his brother. And I have every right to be upset when he's spending his money, the money he made in South Africa, on unnecessarily, on wrong things.
But as he does not want to listen to you, leave him alone now. Eh? Would you kill yourself?
Well, you are right. I cannot kill myself. But what bothers me is that even my mother does not know his son as much as I do. You see, Borusona, he doesn't have as much as he claims. He likes fake life. He loves living fake life. He's this kind of person that will make you believe he has 50 million when he has just 1 million in his account. And he's just doing all these things to make my mother happy. But my mom refuses to read the handwriting on the wall. And I don't want his money to finish and people start laughing at us again.
Are you serious?
I'm very serious.
Then if you say so, talk to him privately.
You don't understand. Uzonna, will he ever listen to me? That is the problem.
Okay, just talk to him. There's no harm in trying. Talk to him first.
Are you sure?
Talk to him and know what's up. Just talk to him. Oh, smile now. Is that why you're coming with this? Eh? See your point, baby.
Love is sweet, but it's sweeter with the money. Show me the money. My love is attached with the money. It's attached with the money.
Kama, Ogechi, kama. Ogechi, kama. Nkechi nyere mo, kama noa. Nkechi nyere mo, kama. Whoa!
Oh, why are you so happy?
Hey!
Do we have a visitor?
No.
Whose car is this?
My daughter, what you are looking at is your father's car. Hey.
Tell me you're lying. How? I don't understand.
Do I look like a liar? Am I not your father? That is my car.
How did you buy a car? When? I don't understand.
Okay, since you want to know, Uzonna bought that car for me. And also 500,000 naira cash.
Uzonna bought you that car and also gave you money. For what?
Well, he did it on one condition. That his mother should be my only concubine. I should let Nwake go.
Uzonna bought you a car and gave you money. Yes. Just so that his mother will be your only concubine.
Yes. Of course it's a good deal. Listen, my daughter. Wake up and smell some Colombian coffee. We are living in the millennium. Whoa! 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 Whoa!
That's not stupid. No, that's not stupid. Ibuka, who is stupid?
I didn't say you are stupid. I only said your actions are. and the money is who can live.
Ebuka will slap your tongue inside if you ever insult me with your words again. You better mind yourself.
So bad, I apologize. I will never insult you again. But I will always tell you the bitter truth as your younger brother.
Now tell you. What bitter truth do you want to tell me?
That you do not have as much as you claim. Eh? You should stop all this fake life you are living and cut according to your size.
Ebuka, who told you what you just said?
Oh, you think I don't know? Hey, why on your brother? See, I am a younger brother. I know you too well. It is unfortunate that Mama and Amarachi do not know who you are. You better cut down your expenditures before you talk, talk, and the enemies will laugh at you. I know why I'm telling you. Out all Omara, out all fake you need more here. I know why I'm saying it.
When there is money, love becomes sweeter.
You can say that again.
Etiko, take.
Ngo, you know I have always loved you. I've loved you 3 times more than whatever love I ever had for Makego.
Yet you discarded me for her.
No, it's not that. If you notice that day, my mouth was shaking when I asked you to leave me. I only did it because you abandoned me, only for me to wake up and she's there beside me. To make things worse, your children were busy spreading my death news. If you were in my shoes, you would do the same.
But you should have listened to me, since you claim you love me.
I didn't claim. I just only made you angry so that you feel sorry, so I can accept you back. I know who almost killed me. It's Wakego. That woman is a witch.
Oh, now you know. Now, what are you doing here? Eh? So, after all my numerous warnings, Emi Bata, Nali Ekwi Nolani. Eh? Obim, what is she doing here?
Are you asking me?
Okay.
Listen, both of you should not start again. No more fight here. No more fight.
Me, Ngozi. Fight who? This one? Ngaka mma to ya. Nwi ojiego. Onwenwa ijiego. Eh? My friend, just get out of here. Ganga. Get out.
Are you still seated here? Didn't you hear her? Ojiego, nwi ojiego. Ijiego. Nalie. Nah, I get them before, no be property because. You sure don't want them boji before?
You need that shit, man.
I get them before.
Go now!
So why did you call me out here?
It's about what we discussed earlier. Have you given it a thought?
I was about doing that when I got to know how stupid you are.
How? And why would you say I'm stupid?
Even if you were richer than Dangote. I mean, are there no important things you can invest your money in? Instead of buying a car for a widower to date your mother.
I know it does not make sense to you. But to me, it does. My mother is my greatest priority.
Huh.
I asked her to choose whatever thing that would make her happy. And she chose your father. Yes.
Your mother chose my father. Let me ask you. If she has chosen that you kill yourself for her to be happy, would you have granted that?
No. And there's no way she would have demanded for such. Because I'm her son.
So because you have money, because you're now rich, do you think you can oppress the poor?
Jacinto, I'm sorry if that's what you think, but I just want to make my mama happy.
I see.
Yes.
Well, as regards to what we talked about, I have not given it a thought. When I do, I'll get back to you. But please, do not bother me again about it.
Jacinta. Jacinta!
Jacinta, is it not you that I'm calling? Jacinta, is it not you that I'm calling? Eh?
Chidamaka Ogini, what is it?
What were you doing in Uzona's car?
I don't understand.
Is it Uzona? Is car you almost spent decades in? Or the entire question? Which one don't you understand?
I don't understand you. Now, why are you asking me this stupid question? Do I owe you an explanation?
Thank your stars. Thank your stars that you are my friend. If not, I will tear you into pieces right now and nothing will happen. Now take this warning. Stay away from Uzonna. Rap Uzonna can Uzonna boy and Kim. Okay, now I won't warn you again.
Ndidiamaka, why didn't you stop me in that car? I mean, why didn't you stop me there to lay your claims instead of making the bush your home and jumping out like a monkey? Why?
Oh, I am talking and you're talking.
You wanted to slap me? Hey! Ndidiamaka, you wanted to slap me, Jacinta. You don't have fear. You don't have fear.
Hey! Jacinta, what the fuck? Jacinta! Jacinta! Are you crazy?
Don't joke with this village.
Jacinta! Oh! Can you send me? Let me send you, but I'm not getting me.
Mama, you mean you saw her there?
I saw her entering into that compound with her two left legs.
Even after your warning, she still went there.
Yes, Charlie.
Ha! What is even giving her the morale?
Well, just
Mama, why you Diego? Why you Diego?
Just hold on. Let my son come back first.
Ha! Someone is back already.
Welcome.
Mama, I'm Arachi.
Welcome.
Sorry, huh?
Well, yeah, no, the okay.
This chair, I will try and get also another one. Mama, this one you're like this, I hope I'm not.
All is not well, oh. All is not well. There's someone disrespected and insulted me today. That person needs to be taught a lesson.
Who is that?
Wakego.
Mama, see, don't you think we have intimidated this woman enough? I think it's time we let her be, please.
Zonna.
Your mama? No. Did you just say this? Hey. So you want those people to start insulting me the more? You want them to be disrespecting me? Thinking that all these warnings are empty threats?
Zonna, I don't understand you. So you want them to be insulting Mama anyhow in this village? You have to do something.
Mama, please stop this your emotional blackmail, okay? Okay, Mama. Even if I grant your request to arrest this woman, now tell me, What will you tell the police? That is our offense.
Forget that one. Leave that one to me. Just take me to that police station. I know what to tell them. But I'm more issue. I know where he's beating me. You want people to start insulting me.
The way Mama is crying now, do something.
Atisi mukafia onye malokolo okwa pagonego.
Where is that idiot? Where is she? Oh, here you are. You think you can mess with my mother in this village and go scot-free? I swear I will make sure you rot in jail. Take her!
Come on. Move. Chizoba, come and know the police station they are taking me to.
I tell move this woman!
Close the door when you are coming out.
Woman, move.
Close the door when you are coming out.
Think you can mess with anybody you see?
Who?
Jacinta, how are you?
Greetings, Susanna.
Greetings, Obi.
I am not your Obi. I am not. Quit calling me that. It was now Obi.
Now tell me, why are you frustrating me, Jacinta? Why?
Me frustrating you. No, also that me I'm frustrating you. I just want you to wise up and be a man. I mean, have a say and stand by it. And stop being your mommy's toy that she can control whenever she wants.
Jacinta. Okay, I promise to change. Are you good with that?
Until I see the change. Because I pity your wife, Sha. Because your mother will turn her into a maid. Housemaid. You will be there and say nothing.
Now tell me, are you not going to be my wife that you're talking about?
Eh?
Yes.
Eh?
My wife?
Me? I don't know. I don't know for you. Now I remember. Your girlfriend stopped me the other day. She attacked me and said, I should stay away from you, else I'll feel her wrath.
My girlfriend? And who is my girlfriend?
Didi, of course.
Didi. Who is in Didi?
Eh? Hey! Sorry.
Who is in Didi?
You cannot even remember your girlfriend. It has gotten to that bad. Eh? No, it has gotten that bad that you cannot even remember who your girlfriend is. Didi, your sister's friend. Hey! Hey!
Mama, where's Mama? Mama, bien, I didn't say what I go. Mama, put that on me, girl. Again, Mama, put that on me, Mama, you are looking very.
Mama, weekend.
You are looking very. I didn't say what I
want to play. Can one be
Mama,
if I would
as a matter of fact, this is just the least machine I have in my garage.
Hey!
Mama, I have too much money. This
Hey!
way. Capital life.
Mama,
Mama,
come on.
Come out and take money. Mama, Mama,
I know what my son can do.
This way, Papa.
Love is sweet, but it's sweeter with the money. Show me the money. My love is attached with the money.
This one you stop me. Is your heart not beating for me?
My heart is not beating for you. Rather, my hand is itching me to give you a dirty slap on your face.
Uzona, what have I done?
What did you tell Jacinta? What did you tell Jacinta?
Boy, you know I love you.
But the people that knows the true meaning of love sacrifice your flesh to the vultures for feast. You're very stupid. Now let me tell you, Didi, if I ever hear my name in your mouth again, I will ensure that you spend the rest of your life in jail.
Uzona, please. I'm sorry.
Leave here!
Say it again.
I said, leave here now!
Please, I'm sorry.
Nonsense.
Show me the money. My love is attached with the money.
Oh. So Uzona had the effrontery to lock you up in the police cell?
Yes, my son. Can you imagine?
Just because I wasn't around. Akwafacho ka eme ife ego. I
said it.
I will show them the other side of me.
Agonwa.
The youngest billionaire
in
this village.
I told them my son will soon come back with the kind of money I am expecting, and my son has landed.
Mama, nga gwafa n'ụtụtụ bụ egwu enwe. Abalị bụ egwu amụsụ.
Nnukwu nwa m ebute ife ike. Hey, we really saw hell. These people really dealt with us. They dealt with my daughter and I. On what level of humiliation these people did not make us to pass through.
Mama, Butu, forget it. I will pick it up from there.
Oh, Mama, I'm okay.
Hey!
My time is now.
Oh God.
No, Mom. Hey! One more thing.
What is it, Mama? Name it. There is money.
I still love him. And I am not willing to allow Ngozi take him away from me.
I will arrest him.
No. You want to arrest him? Don't arrest him. It's not his fault.
Then whose fault?
Maybe ours. Because if we had made money earlier than now, he would not have accepted that kind of money from Ngozi. And if I was in his shoes, I would still do the same thing.
So what do you suggest I do?
I don't know how you would do it, but I want to make him mine, and mine alone.
Consider it done, Mama.
Ezeku, you will do this for me.
Thank you
so much,
Mama.
Sir.
Consider it done.
Thank you. You don't know how happy you have made me. Thank you so much, Mom.
No problem, Mama.
Mama. I told them my son is coming back in his time.
I have money. The truth is, I wouldn't have come here without the police. And by now you should have been chilling in the cell. But you were lucky enough. My mother was able to calm me down.
Odogu, Biko, I'm sorry. Emenakera. Butono.
Oga Amadi, now tell me, how much did he give to you that made you dump my mother?
He gave me 500,000 and that car over there.
Just that? 500,000 and that's good for nothing car? That one car? Oga Amadi, I will transfer you the sum of 1.5 million naira instantly and a befitting car.
Arinze, please tell me you're not joking. Eh? It is serious.
Oga Amande, you should know me by now. Ema no tutu be egwu enwe. Abani, bulokwa egwu amunsu. Abachaga egwu amunsu ya na agbazi na abụ egwu enwe. Eme nwunya. Oga Amande.
Eh?
Oh, ga-aka mma.
Onwenu nke ka mma egwa m ka anyị kụba ugori. Ugori ka nchọ ka anyị na-ego.
Ngwanụ nsogbu arịọ ka anyị kụba ugori. Officers.
Yes.
I want her to rough in jail. She cannot contend with my mother and go scot-free. Never. I want her arrested this minute. Let her spend the rest of her miserable life in jail. Am I clear?
No problem. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Let's go.
Ututu be egwu enwe. Abani bule egwu amunsu. Abachago egwu enwe. Yana agbakita be egwu amunsu. Abacha osa akọ.
Good day. Where's the mother?
Mama! Mama! Please come.
Madam, you're here.
Madam, you're under arrest.
What has my mother done?
Arinze has ordered your arrest.
Madam, you're under arrest for violation of human rights, and you have every right to remain silent. Whatever you say or do, you say against the law.
I know Arinze is behind this. Let him pray my son does not find out, because it will not be fun.
No problem, madam.
Officer, don't drive her like that. Who is that? We go.
Papa, no, nobody will think I'm a criminal.
Which station are you taking her to?
Call your brother. Call your brother, oh?
Onye mieze onye jego, oya po highest bidder, cause I need the money, Atisi mukafia, onye maloko,
Please, you have to come with me.
Amarachi, what is it? You look worried.
Mama has been arrested.
What? By who?
Arinze, that's Nwakego's son.
Arinze did what? Is he mad?
Please, you have to come with me. You have to, please, come and release Mama. I don't want her to sleep in the station, please. Eh?
Arinze, which station did they take her to?
Division A. I'm just coming from there.
Open the gate. Open the gate! Open the gate!
How can you be happy over the news of your mother's arrest? Eh? Are you a human being?
Was she kidnapped? My mother is safe and sound. She was only arrested yesterday and currently she is chilling in police custody.
Ebuka chilling? Ebuka, you play a lot though. What kind of a human being are you? Eh? You don't even take anything serious. Jesus.
Machi, why should I be worried over someone who has just been served with the same pot of soup she served others with? My mother loves humiliation and she has subjected so many people to the same humiliation. It is only a good feeling that now she is suffering from the word she projects.
Hi, Ebuka. See, I doubt every possibility of her being your mother. See, if she was a man, I would have gone to any deity and swear before the gods that you are not his son. Like, Ebuka, those are blood really runs in your vein, Ebuka.
Machio, sorry to shock you. She is a woman. And everyone in this community, including your own mother, witnessed her carrying her womb for 9 months. And she gave birth to me. So mom called.
Kai, Ebuka. Okay, yes. Let's say yes. Everybody saw her carrying you in her womb. But Ebuka, why do you find so much joy in her misfortune? You don't even like it when she's happy. Ebuka.
Machi, you are mistaking me for an amusu. I'm gonna matter amusu.
You're a wizard.
See, I have no reason to be happy over another man's or a woman's sadness. And she's even my mother, so why should I be happy? The only thing is, I hate evil, and I do not support it, no matter who is involved. Once it's evil, I hate it. So I can't do it.
Bamo, that is the point.
Yes.
So you don't like evil, and you want us to do that in Abi? Me say I don't like evil too.
That one is not evil.
I don't like evil. I don't support
evil. It's not evil.
What is not evil?
Get
that from me.
It's not evil now.
What is it, Ebuka?
You're wicked. This is another plan, so you not give it to me today.
Did I give you before?
That boy insulted this family. Uzonna, are you just going to sit back and let him go?
Mama, don't you trust your son again? This is your son. That boy has drawn the battle line.
I just want him and his family to pay dearly for the embarrassment they meted on us.
I have a plan. When I finish executing the plans, he will discover I am his elder and I came to this world before him.
Why don't you arrest him and his entire family?
Mama, that is not as easy as you think. He has made money, though it's little money. But you know he cannot be intimidated just like that. So I need a concrete evidence to put him behind bars. I know what I'm doing.
What is this car doing here? Whose car is this?
Oh, Arinze, the son of Mwakego. He came back yesterday and promised me a car. And this is it.
So you could date his mother-in-law, right?
Yes, of course.
And you accepted?
Yes.
Papa, I thought you collected a car and money from Uzonna.
My daughter, Arinze gave me 3 times more than what Uzonna offered. And a better car. Do you expect me to say no? Do you? I don't think so.
Papa, I pity you. Yes, because you don't know what you're putting yourself into. I pity you. Awaka. All right. Car. Okay.
What is wrong with this girl? What kind of a child is this? You don't see a good thing when it's coming to you. I will never let a good thing pass me by. I will grab it with all my strength.
Show me the money, my love is attached with the money, it's attached with the money. Everlasting no papa gonna go, it's attached with the money. Onye yeso, onye jeko, oh yeah, po highest bidder, cause I need the money, it's attached with the money.
Who is that?
It's me, oh.
What is it? Why are you knocking as if I owe you?
Am I the one you're referring to?
No, the ghost beside you.
Well, I want to pretend I did not hear what you said. By the way, who owns that car I saw? The new car?
If you must know, it belongs to me. And I will appreciate it if you make this your last visit to my house. If you love yourself.
What have I done?
You haven't done anything exceptional. But the fact that your son's money has expired. Eguna ugo wanne. Arinze nwawa ego bought me that car. Plus 1.5 million naira cash. 3 times more than what your son gave to me.
And you collected?
Before Uncle. Ngozi, to cut the long story short, leave my house this minute. Makune Etiko, Eguna ugo mega expire. Nadia. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Hey!
Mama, you are crying. You're shedding tears. Mama, what is it?
Amante has dumped me again.
Amadi dumped you? Is something wrong with Amadi?
I said I couldn't answer that question. He said that Arinze gave him 1.5 million naira. I gave him a big car. One that is bigger than the one you gave him.
And he accepted it.
No. He did. He took it.
It's alright, Mama. I was on my way going out. Okay? Just come, let's go and see Amadi. I have to know what is wrong with his brains.
Pico, I can't take more insults. I can't go. You can't go, my son. Go. I need it too much.
Wabagonego, onye chiku, kewuneso, onye chinku, kamoyeso. Child, love is sweet, but it's sweeter with the money. Show me the money, my love is attached with the money.
Yes, Arinze, no matter the kind of girls you might have met in the city, you shouldn't have forgotten Mesoma in a hurry. No, now, not Meso.
And why? Why shouldn't I forget Mesoma? Tell me.
Because she made you. Yes, she made you who you are today.
No. Nobody made me who I am today. I am a self-made boss.
Hey. Arinze, I don't know who might be deceiving you, but you and I know that Mesoma personally took you out from this village, accommodated you in her brother's house while she's still in this village. Do not forget the fingers that fed you. Do not forget the heart that beats for you when you had nothing. Now you have money. You want to forget her just like that. You want to throw her away just like that. It's not nice. Let me tell you something. You see all these girls flocking around you. They don't love you. They don't love you at all. But aside that, they are just in love with what you have. They are just in love with your pockets. As in the money in your pockets. Yes. They won't be there for you if you're still wretched and jobless.
Chizoba, I never wanted to tell you this, but I must tell you. Mesoma's brother did nothing for me. Rather, he threw me out of his house just after a month I got into the city. Everything I have, everything I own now, I personally labored for them. They are my hard-earned money. Do you understand?
Really? It's quite unfortunate that he did that to you. But Mesoma should not be punished for his sins. It's not her fault. Yes, that girl meant well for you. She really loves you. Do you get me? Now that you have money, do not throw her away just like that. Remember, she was the one that personally took you out from this village in the first place. Arinze. Arinze.
Enough of a sermon. I have very important things to attend to.
So I'm not talking rubbish. Brother, I will tell you the truth to Arinze because I'm your sister. I will tell you the truth. You see all these chinko girls, all these chingon boys flocking around you. They don't love you. They are in love with your pocket. They don't love you, oh. They don't love you, oh.
Where is that old fool? Where is he? Doesn't matter. What do I owe this August visit?
So he has gotten to the stage where you talk to me the way it please.
Shut your mouth! Remember, I'm your elder.
Elder my foot! Why did you embarrass my mother? Why?
I didn't embarrass your mother. I simply told her the truth.
I paid you heavily to have my mother and my mother alone. What changed? What?
Someone with stronger and better financial stability paid heavier than you. So I had to dump your mother for his mother. What part don't you understand?
I did not come here to negotiate with you. I will make you learn the hard way. If in 24 hours, 24 hours, you did not tender an apology to my mother.
Welcome back here. Onye abaya puanozo, pora bagi ne sion. Onye eri kia nwanne erigo gi apago gi. Wa.
You have 24 hours.
Go.
What you say?
Otigba na-eti egwu na mmanụ ndị agọ nọ ndị agọ nọ ndị agọ nọ ndị agọ nọ
asị n'ije bụ mmanya wega n'ụwa n'ọbụ nwoke ije asị n'ije bụ mmanya wee ya na nya bije n'ọbụ nwoke ije ndị agọ nọ.
I have warned you to stop stalking me. You slapped me the other day and got away with it. You might not be that lucky the next time.
Let me inform you that I've learned to live without you. And it will interest you to know I am not here for the sake of our love.
Then why are you here?
Ever since you returned to this village, my brother's line has been switched off.
Ginime, what is my concern? Am I your brother's keeper? Mesoma, just in case you don't know, let me tell you. Your brother threw me out just a month after I got to the city.
Liar! Liar! I mean, you know you're lying! Just before you arrived in this village, I called my brother. He said you were living with him. Where's my brother?
Mesoma, before you came in, I was having a nice time and a beautiful moment. If you don't mind, excuse me.
Arisa, where's my brother? Arisa, where's my brother? Where's my brother? I don't like what you're doing. Where's my brother? Where's my brother? Arisa, I don't like what you're doing. No.
Obim, you have been like this since I came. And I've asked you why, what is going on. You said nothing. And here you are, staring at the food I served you since 20 minutes ago. Obim, what is it now? Okay.
How will you feel to hear the news of my death?
God forbid. You will not die. What? Ha. No.
Do you rather prefer me dead or share me with Ngozi?
I will not share you with anyone. Not again.
So you prefer I die?
Hi. Obin, why are you talking as if somebody promised you death? Yeah? Or are you planning to die anytime soon?
Ozonna promised to kill me if I don't accept his mother back.
What? Why? Why will he tell you so?
I am scared. He is not just anybody. He's a South African mafia.
Well, I do not wish you death. But I will not share you with any woman. Definitely not Ngozi. Not after all the humiliations and embarrassment I received from her. This is my time to revenge. So it's better you die, so that both of us can rest.
Did you just say that?
Yes. Or have you forgotten? Have you forgotten all that you did to me when they gave you money? Well, I am saying this so that you will know how serious I am about all this. And don't even think of refunding my son's money and car that he gave to you, because my son is more dangerous than Ozonna. Obi, me feel like you leave me. Don't waste my food. I worked hard to prepare it. My parents feel like now. You won't waste this food. You eat it.
I have been caught between the deep ocean and the burning flame. Which do I stand a chance of survival? The burning fire will not bet an eyelid to burn me into ashes if I find myself into it. The sharks in the deep ocean are waiting for my arrival. Besides them are the crocodiles. What do I do now?
Papa, you're still here. I know. Situations like this are for men who have sold their hearts to greed and have allowed money to destroy their sense of reasoning. I knew a day like this would come. If you preferred money more than everything. But Father, don't you think you need to relax and stop thinking? And not be like a coward who died 1,000 times before his death. At least you have achieved a legacy by being a brave man. By fighting yourself out of the mess you put yourself into. It is better to die fighting this thing.
Sweetie, but sweeter with the money. Show me the money.
Please, like I said before now, make it 2 copies. Then one is coming from what's his name? Let me call you back.
No.
Mom.
How was your night?
Good morning.
Morning, Mom. How was your night?
Fine, and yours?
I'm fine. No. Since that day you told me that Amandi will come and apologize to me after warning him. He hasn't come. I've not seen him.
Well, he has only today to do that. Yes, he will face my wrath.
Yeah. He will still come.
Yeah, he will come.
No.
Mommy.
Let me be waiting for him.
Just be patient.
He will come up, yeah?
Yeah, he will
Rinse, you are biting more than you can chew.
Of course I should. Because I've got plenty teeth in the wild truth. So even if I can't chew them, I can swallow them.
You have to count your steps, Rinse. Because you're dealing with a mafian.
Mafian? Mafians don't say it. Mafians show it.
And when I do, you can never, ever sing alone. I bet you.
It may interest you that I have something more than money. something much more than money. For God's sake, you are just a learner. You have just little money. And as a matter of fact, I've got too much money.
There is one thing I really do not understand.
Oh, you think you are the only one who came prepared? I also came prepared.
You got one too?
Of course. Moroccan Sipado. How much does it cost to get one? I can acquire as much as I want.
Aren't I shall come knocking. And when I come back knocking, I swear you won't be this lucky.
You are just a coward. You cannot do anything.
Where is that stupid man? Where is he? Come on! And who is that mad dog barking? You just called me a dog right now. Yes, I did. You called me stupid first. Am I your mate? Listen, I have had enough of your excesses. And I can't deal with it anymore. Can't I have my peace? Are you in your right senses? Do you know who you're referring to? Who are you? Do you know? Who are you? Are you God that I can't talk to you? Listen, you better sleep with the fact that Arinze is financially stronger than you and have outclassed you in every ramification of life. So just take your frustrated self out of my compound. Anoman. Ah! Eriko gelacha. Akule! Eriko wogo. What have you done? Eh? What have you done? Papa! 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 Hey! No! Hold on now! Papa! Hey! Somebody help me! Help! Papa! Papa, please don't do this! I want you! I want you! Papa! Hey! Somebody I helped! Hosanna! Papa, please don't do this! Hey! Papa! Oh! Papa, please don't do this to me now! Hey! Papa, please don't die! Papa, please don't die! Papa, please don't die! Papa, don't die! Hey! Somebody help me! Oh! Help me! Help me! Help me! Hey,
Mama.
Mom, I wanted to find out from you when you will be going back to the city to continue with your business.
Mama, which business?
Hey, Mom, the business that fetches you money. Or are you no longer doing business?
Of course, I have businesses that fetches me money. I mean, if I don't have a business I do, then how did I make my money?
So when are you going back to the city then?
Mama, I don't know when I'm going back to the city. I'm not going back anytime soon.
What? What? No.
Mama, I have my reasons best known to you. And as a matter of fact, I have enough money to spend as long as I want to stay here in the village.
But left for me, I would have loved you and they say when you come back, you stay for some time, you go back to the city, refill up and come back again.
Obioha, you are dead.
Arinze.
Obioha. Obioha, you are dead. Obioha, you are dead, yes. You are not living.
So this is how far you can run. This is how far you can run. A fickle, irrelevant non-entity like you have nothing to kill a man like me. After everything I did for you, Arinze, I picked you up, cleaned you up. Yet you proved to me that you're a snake, but a spineless one.
No, Mama, that is not true.
This is a dead man. Mama, Obioha is a dead man. Obioha, you are dead. You are not living.
Arinze, you are the one who has been dead and is yet to realize it.
You did what? And you're still here. Go! Go! Go, Biko, go!
Mama, there is no need to run. There's no need to run because he cannot run forever. And you know that no evil goes unpunished.
Will you shut up and get inside? And no fear.
It will all end in tears.
Your tears.
I am
your tears. Your tears. Idiot.
Idiot. Mama, why did he do this? Why did he do it?
Are you asking me? Do I know?
Do you know? Mama, you caused this. You caused it. You pushed him into doing this because of your desperate ambitions.
No, because of Guinea. Desperate Guinea? What are you talking about? He's my boyfriend, my fiancé, the man I want to marry.
The man you want to marry?
Yes, no.
Mama, see, let me tell you, I will hold you responsible. And I will never ever forgive you in this life if anything happens to my brother. Mwakito.
Why?
But that brother, nothing happens to us on that.
Okay, CJ. Hey, Amandio. So I will not see you again. Police. Huh?
A good Samaritan saved me that day, but I decided to lie low while I received treatment. And then I chose to turn my phone off because I didn't want my sister to reach me. And then let you know that I'm still alive.
I'm sorry. I'm very, very sorry. Remember, I'm your in-law to be.
May my God punish you. I mean, the brother is more mad. You're a very bad person. So after everything I did for you, this is the only way you know you can pay me back by trying to kill my brother and dumping me. If I dump money, you're wicked. Get out, you're wicked.
Arinze! I am not here to talk too much. I have come to pay you back in your own coin.
Brother, no, brother, don't shoot him, please. Brother, don't shoot him now, don't shoot him, please, brother, please. Please don't shoot him, brother, please.
Mama, I hope what happened a few months ago taught you a lesson. Your favorite son, Arinze, is dead. You heard what he told us the last time we visited. That you and Chizoba called him, pressurizing him to come back with money simply because Ngozi's son, Ugonna, returned with a big car. Mama, your name is Nwakego. But you live the opposite. You love money more than your children. Moderama, it's not good.
My son, from the depth of my heart, I regret all my actions. I am so sorry. I am so sorry, Wow. I failed you. I failed everybody. I take the whole blame for all my actions. I only ask my child that you take back justice for all my actions against you with mercy. Look at what I have caused my daughter Chizoba. She has to end up getting married to one useless Haboran and even running away with him. I regretted everything. I regret failing you, my son. I regret the death of Arinze. I regret failing my daughter Chizoba. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Please, you cannot be seated.
watch Mama crying like this.
Mama, pick up my hand.
It's obvious she's
forgive me. Please forgive me for my failed you. I'm sorry. I'm so ashamed of myself.
Mama, it's okay.
I'm sorry.
I forgive you, Mama.
I failed you.
I forgive you. Stop.
Sorry.
I forgive you, Mama. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Onye maloko okwu abagonego inafukwe fememe onye chọrọ bụ onye ji ego ọya bụ highest bidder ọ bụ gịnị ka na-akọzi okwu abagonego ọ bụ onye ji iku ka ewu na-eso ọ bụ onye ji nkụ ka mụ ya eso chai love is sweet but sweeter with the money. Show me the money, my love is attached with the money, it's attached with the money. Everlasting no guapa conego, it's attached with the money. Onye yeso, onye jego, oya bo highest bidder, cause I need the money, it's attached with the money. Atisi mukafia, onye malokolo, oguapa conego. Inafukwe fememe onye nchọrọ bụ onye ji ego ọya bụ highest bidder ọ bụ gịnị ka na-akọzi okwu abago n'ego ọ bụ onye ji iku ka ewu na-eso ọ bụ onye ji nkụ ka mụ ya eso chai love is sweet but sweeter with the money. Show me the money, my love is attached with the money, it's attached with the money. Everlasting no guapa conego, it's attached with the money. Onye yeso, onye jego, oya bo highest bidder, cause I need the money, it's attached.